Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
Whoa. Yo, greetings and respect, all massive and crew. Welcome to the Mixup An Blenda setting with me. Yours truly, the king of Mixup. Nico, wait. Wait, Mr. Man, wait.
Me ready.
Poopa Jesus, I want to them, boy, man.
Me ready for burn the place.
Backside, Mr. Man, to you play for Chris Cross today. You just are running like you're Usain Bolt. I want to you, Mr. Man.
You never used to me, I got gym no Raga.
Nico, you got to Alayate.
No, you don't believe me? You right now, the ladies,
What,
from stepping out of the office to the ladies, they talk about it, about Nico, your bow leg, and you look good and something there. Me not have Raga, me don't have the six-pack like Jermaine, but I have the barrel.
You have the barrel?
Yeah, and the barrel
Nico,
take time I go away.
Yeah, but Nico, so them for know, and Nico say your barrel hold more than 6 pack. So the ladies say, hey, Nico,
yeah.
I have a brother him named Jamin Tell, Jamin Tell give you that joke, I'm a boss it already, but me a boss it again. It's like him a draft for 2 women and one of the women them say, what to you, Jamin Tell? You know, she say, a man with 6 pack, me like 6 pack. And Jamin Tell say, yo, my girl, why you going to take a man with 6 pack when you can't get the full crate? Mad. So I use a barrel. I use a barrel.
I get you that right now.
All right, Nico, with all due respect,
Yeah.
you really are going to gym for true. Yeah,
man, I'm serious thing, man. Yeah, if you don't believe me, listen me juggling today. I got here a selection, but I talk about slim and fat and yeah.
And sickness, and
yeah.
things. But you're good, though.
Yeah, we're going to give God thanks, you know. It's a pleasure.
Nobody now will be you or anything.
Well, I don't know right now. Because some things happen from what I crash.
Oh, you crash and what else again?
I see, some other things happen in my life and I can't say that you mix up show. Copy the one.
All right. Well, oh, you pop down in our start out.
No, never pop down. Never, ever. More turn up here now.
Nico, you never pop down in our start out yet?
Yeah, man, I want to hear and I'm not pop down and them say, me don't know what to me, they look like, say. But this is what I tell her. I say, me don't know what to me, they look like, you just good, so.
All right. Hey, we got the man them who securing on themselves and afraid to admit, say, you know, 1 or 2 times.
Come and know you pop down already in a Raga. Everybody know you pop down already one time. At least 3 times.
Where you talk about?
The people never talk about when they drop down the town.
Not me never drop down.
Raga.
Please to kiss up my watch it, not
Raga.
talk about your business.
Raga.
I did not drop down.
Raga, don't try to put the dressmaker in the shoemaker.
I felt like I was about to be very close to the ground in an intimate way.
You could have said.
And
yeah, look for the thing there.
yo, me a pull a bossy people think just put in some multi-syllable words and just no. I never did a drop down. I mean, there was a feeling that I was about to be in close proximity to the ground in a very intimate manner, but me never did a drop down.
So Raga, you never ever pop down, Raga?
No. I mean, if I tell you,
you never do a start out and pop down, Raga?
No, I mean, if I tell you, say, yeah, several times that reached me. Why am I afraid to admit that?
Oh, I mean, admit it, yes, come on a robot.
Nico, you have enough man to tell lie. You have a whole heap of man out there. If you follow them shut and sell off and shell down and turn
right,
up.
And the woman them talk about them, the woman them talk about them, you know.
And when the woman them talk about them, the woman them don't even pay him no mind. Yeah, I just make beer nice when him do him thing and him tickle me.
As a pampute say, they bigger than hot.
Yeah, the pampute say some man coming like sweet pepper, them bigger than hot. Mad. You understand? But Nico, you don't know say it's a mix-up party right upon the Mixup An Blenda show right yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nico,
yes, sir.
I mean name Ragashanti, the king of Mixup. I mean the principal right now. Them give me that name that I don't know why. But them say me the principal. So a roll call time, class in session. Nico Bam Bam.
Present.
Michelle Belly has got the mighty.
I take bathroom break, sir.
Hold on. Oh, Michelle, are you sitting in the front of the class today?
No, sir. I'm not doing my homework.
Michelle,
okay.
No?
All right. I can take out the cane because we say wap wap and bat. Okay. Ruth Levy, are you there?
Front of the class.
Front of the class, as she said, no fish, I don't.
Yeah.
Jermaine King in the building.
She said bright. She said bright.
Jermaine, I throw the paper them round her back. A dirty boy.
Okay. But to run a roll call now. Bower Banks, you there? Nannyville, Southside, Tivoli Garden, Anatown, West Kingston, Backbush, Mountain View. Wanna there?
Ragama.
Eh?
Yeah, ma.
They did it.
No, if we go through the whole of them, would they attack to the rest of the show?
Oh,
Waterhouse, Southside, Augustown, Ellison Flat, Papin, Kintyre, Standpipe, and the whole of them enter Flanker, Cambridge, CLM, and I'm get the fabulous people. Big up my uptown people, them. Ellison Flat, seeing Iron Shoe, large upon herself, yeah. Lee's Flat, Chantrial, big up all who live uptown and broke.
Oh.
Big up all who love got a big show them and stay in a VIP and white squall a clot up on the lift count to get the ticket free.
Oh.
I use a slim, 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 Nico Bam Bam, mash up the gym, the girl them a talk. Watch out. Also, man, I go let them more than my friend. I want to Nico. Take on the gym, mad enough. If I tell them and if I talk, I make them know I want. Nico Bam Bam, 2011 resolution. Slim fast, beat up the gym fast. Yo, Nico, I use a slim, I use a slim, I use a slim, I use a slim, I use a slim. Nico Bam Bam, mash up the gym. The girl them a talk about way. Yeah. Nico Supreme name Stinker Road, but we name now call pam. Yeah. And we name now call pam. Yeah. Hey Nico, I we say rum, I we say rum. Watch out now. Also, man, I go let them more than my friend. I want to Nico. Take on the gym, mad enough. If I tell them and if I talk, I make them know I want. Nico Bam Bam, 2011 resolution. Slim fast, beat up the gym fast. Yo, Nico, I use a slim, I use a slim.
If you're just joining us, it's all about the Ragashanti live show, right? Yes, we say Mixup An Blenda Entertainment. Nico Bam Bam filling in for DJ Chris Cross today on the Mixup Party Friday. And Nico play him, don't play it. You see, Conscience say, oh, Nico say Slim. Up in the gymnasium. Nico, I work out now, people. Because him say, woman, I want to know the Conscience song go. It's a we say, girl. So Nico, I look, woman, Ghana gym. God try to look like the super from on them. If God try to look like Victor from Young and Restless.
Mash up the gym. The girl them a talk about way. Nico Supreme name Stinker Road, but we name now call pam. Yeah. And we name now call pam. Yeah. Hey Nico, we say rum, we say rum, we say rum, we say rum, we say rum. Buy for yourself, not see me and beg me none.
We are the time for the party. Partying is my hobby.
Inside the Mixup Party Mix right here in the Mixup An Blenda sitting with your Sula Ragashanti, the king of Mixup, the principal, alongside the Mixup family, Nico Bam Bam, betting it in for DJ Chris Cross today. Nico Bam Bam, I tear up the turntable. Big up DJ Chris Cross anyway, them my business to take care of everything is everything. We're going to break right now. We're soon far up another sitting. Now we say energy, we say charisma, we say so far. Inside the Party Mix right, just a Party Mixup An Blenda sitting with yours truly, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, the principal alongside DJ Nico, who is substituting for DJ Chris Cross today. And of course, the Mixup family there. Last day of the week, and I juggle because I saw what they were sitting down. I want to the phone, man. With no fee. Time is time. Let's come out. Sure. All right, people. What time I know? Let me see what time right now. Because we have time about the place. It's about 17 minutes to 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for... But can you believe it? Do remember, can you believe it? There are true stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, anything really can go so. And for can you believe it today, we're in a place called backside, you know, Gujranwala. Gujranwala. This is in Pakistan. All right, polygamist beaten by 2 of his wives. polygamist beaten by 2 of his wives. And do remember that in the Islamic culture and so forth, the men can have up to 4 wives. I'm going to read up the mix-up now because I will say mix-up. A Pakistani polygamist was publicly beaten by 2 of his wives who accused him of having a secret 4th wife and planning for marriage to number 5. Mian Ishak told the police he was attending a Gujranwala wedding reception on Monday with his 3rd wife when his 2 other wives, Mehvish, that is spelled Mehvish, and Uzma, arrived with their relatives and began overturning tables. The women who accused Ishak of having a 4th wife in secret and planning to marry a 5th woman beat their husband with their shoes, witnesses said. Police arrived at the reception and escorted the women out. Ishak said his wife's accusations are a blatant lie. I am willing to swear on my life that I only have 3 wives, he said. Ishak said the 2 women have filed for divorce. Nico, Emily.
Boom.
Yo. Why? We know that the people them have, you know, the men are allowed to have up to 4 wives, but
Like that.
they can't help but just say all kind of drama in this. 2 wives that team up together and come and beat them husband because them say him have a 4th. That time, well, 2 wives that team up together, go and beat them husband who did gone out with him 3rd wife, and them a beat him say him have a 4th wife and a plan for marry
And
a
a
5th
fifth
wife.
one.
Yeah, say him a plan for marry a 5th one. You know? No, I just imagine like the argument when time them a do the thing like kind of right? The argument of it, Nico, the argument of it full of mix-up.
Full of mix-up.
No, because here them a go call. Like, say a Jamaican woman a do it now. Say that Jamaican Muslim woman. And them a go over and argue. Where him there? What a dirty boy. Make you wicked so. Make you wicked so. Imagine, we give you 3 wives for your gone for your 4th. Where you are number 4 for? You're too wicked and dirty. Look how the 3 we there. And we send you out with me over today. And me and Punchy just juke back on a bill. And we here say, make you wicked so. We are doing 4 when you already have 3. Dirty boy.
Kill him with
Let us imagine the past.
No, him get asked him one saddle and whip. Him too much.
And
too much.
it's not that you deliberately chose that word.
Horse.
No, you can't say ass on Jamaican radio, you know, because a farm of donkey is called an ass.
Right.
ASS.
Right.
Okay, so you can say ass on Jamaican radio. Cordell Green and Upton Dunn will not have a problem with that. Well, I would hope that they don't. You know. Even that the word is in the dictionary. Well, let's be careful because there are some words in the dictionary that cannot be said.
That's true.
Right. I mean, you can say them in combination with another word, like, pussycat. You can say that. I'm just saying. No, but me just look when I mix up here, and I just imagine the things them where them I say like, no man, a 3 wife him have, what am I doing number 4, which is allowed to have, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Because I hear them say my plan for married wife number 5. No, 4 is the limit by law in the Islamic religion. So it must mean to him that I plan for drop 1.
Oh, okay.
So I feel say maybe Sean Uzma must feel say them I get jack because I say the 3rd wife for him gone out with I know them 2 there, no car. I feel like them saying say yo, you know so that boy I try cut with.
Well, so the 3rd one a fear space lock. Shouldn't have nothing to worry about.
No, the 3rd one not. The 3rd one probably just stand up and watch them a fight because the 3rd one say yo, no, she say I mean carry out. I left the 2 of them in my yard. I mean carry out. I mean have going out to parents. I mean have the real thing. So I them a fight for them thing. You understand?
Lord God, I can't laugh.
What would happen if Jamaica allowed that? They say, Jamaican men are allowed to have 4 wives.
No man.
By law.
By law. But they say by law.
By law, boy.
By law. It's not nice.
It would have. Yeah, that's enough fight a pop. That much I can tell you.
It's not nice.
No.
It's not nice.
Yeah.
No. No, but when you know, say, I only put woman would agree with it. I know some woman are vexed, but you have Jamaican woman when I say, you know what? I'm out there keep them anyway. This is cheap.
This is cheap. You know, that's true. No one would agree. No one don't agree already.
Yeah.
No one don't agree.
No, but that's sticky in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man.
You're a woman, I say, yeah, you can't get another wife, but you see, when she come in, she knows that only she alone are going to clean the floor.
And then, I'm not ask you some farmer, then oh, you must spend so much time with she after I know she want him married. So why am I too weird? Why is she alone I get carried out? You know them cool
No,
there?
but no,
Some
but that's a reggae.
that come up, man.
That's a reggae. No, that
Oh,
already
God, man.
exists, you know. That already exists in them type of union. Because you know, so the Mormons, them rinse that too, you know. Them in Utah and some parts of Wisconsin and them places.
Yeah.
Them rinse that. But that's already there. And them all have series on TV about it.
Yeah.
And them drama there and sickness.
But everybody live in a unity over like that. Especially in Africa.
No, in some of the families,
In
them
some
all
of them.
live in a unity.
Yeah.
But sometimes I wonder when them all share the start with them, I say, John, when we ready. Angela, you never go last night. We have to go back tonight. Give me a chance, man.
Hey, all the man that's supposed to tired, say all rain a fall tonight. Not the one night. Just imagine, aye. Tired.
Hey, Nico, you remember the big running tweets? Well, we don't want people get it twisted. We not talk the real running tweets. We have a singer and a dancer and a running. Remember that tune? The wickedest time when the rain start fall. And the girls began to bawl. Una send telegram. Them a make phone call. Say she want the hammer fit you on her wall.
Why you got hammer no? Why you not forgot hammer raga?
No, but it's that in the song. It's that in the song. We know it's about to just wake up,
No,
but it's that in the song. Yeah, Bounty, yeah. I want that. I want that. You know. No, but that's what I'm saying. Say she want the hammer fit you on her wall. No, whatever. Them days, but hey, that was a big tune back in the day. No lie.
When rain fall, sure forward.
Hey, Nico, you ever know what you say? Some woman, them love all vex up on you and thing. And when the rain start fall and like whatever, then you take them over there. Them a call you.
Them a call you and say, yo, I feel like me a friend, you know. Watch you rain fall. Oh, so just come here.
No. Some of them smoother than that. It's like them tell us them done, you know, and then them call you. Me just want go back to the thing, you know, and whatever, and just make you know so where you keep up our arms out, you know. You know where you keep up our arms out. And you know what? I want to talk it over somewhere. I can't come over.
Yeah, well, so we don't talk about this yet, you know, we have to finish talk about this tonight. Nobody feel like it done. We are in it tonight. Yeah. The argument, like, you know, for the whole argument thing, like them would have say, yo, nobody feel like we don't, cause you know, most men them walk up on an argument, you get me?
Best way.
Like the woman them would have say, yo, nobody feel like we don't argue, we have to resolve it. No. Yeah.
Yo, one of the comments can't do, you know, is either them bring back something or you for come. It's like, hey, yeah, listen on. You left your shirt them over here. Alright, listen, the pair of slippers still up, me a comfy, cause me a go out little more. For slippers. Come on, me know why you dirty girl, I wear my slippers, so me a come for my slippers.
I know why I feel like me have to depend on you, me a come for my things, cause I have my own. Yeah.
Cause I'm independent. And when them come over and them get them slippers and thing now and whatever, it's like, who did I wear my slippers? Them just go out and wear my slippers. Which girl did I wear my slippers?
No, all of that, it take a year for put on the slippers. You have to sit down on the chair. You have to take your time. Hey, you never put on the slippers.
Who might have some sights, boy, I tell you.
Hey, but the one with Nico, the one with always mash up and whatever, I not lie, I mean, ever talk about it because I go through it several times. You want them vex, them say them done with you and thing, and them start walk around and I prepare for going to the bathroom and them start sing first, you know. So them all get, you know, the singing start to themselves, you know. And them go beard and thing. And then come out, Nico. And when them a put on the lotion on them foot.
Come like them a try to push it in the skin.
I ready with it, you know. But when them a put on the lotion, them always said certain way where
Yeah.
me not
Mash
care
up
what
your
no
head.
man wants to say.
No matter how you vex.
When a woman a put on a lotion and she right,
that's something
yeah.
And
think, no man, you have to turn up drunk for all your malice.
if you don't mind sharp, all the lotion drip 2 times and she take
No, me I tell you, man, you
All
have to turn
lotion
up
back
drunk
and drop.
for all.
all the lotion back and
God,
drop all 2 times.
Yeah.
And the oil back and baby body oil.
Well, I know. Them have a way that time they say. After you done vex with them and tell them, come out of your place or whatever. Them have a way, Anyway you there, them need to walk past it this way.
I have to see them,
You better notice we.
Anyway you there, them.
Notice we.
Anyway, you hear them. Excuse me.
Yes, so you go like you see me, you see me a pass, you can't hear me. You see me, you go like you see me a pass. What more?
And I'll bounce you. And when you turn and say, my girl, I want you bounce. Me bounce you?
Me bounce you?
I write so me walk anytime me don't be and go lotion myself. And
Not 4. Come on, Raga. 4?
me
Time
say,
too hard,
uno
man.
want 4 wife.
Maybe not. No, but
No, because I cannot manage 4 wife. I'm not afraid to talk.
you can't manage 4?
Let me tell you, man.
Why you
I
think
just
them bring-
bravado.
No, why
Let
they
me
think
tell you
them-
something.
What?
Man, I just run up them mouth and talk up them mouth because that is the thing to say. But me
True.
cannot manage 4 wife. Okay. Me can't manage. You can't. 4 wife are living at the same house with you. You mad?
Well, and because sometimes one of them, is too much nagging,
And not even that, you know much party you have to go cook. One want chicken, one want beef,
No, they
one
must
want
learn to
ackee and
compromise,
saltfish.
you
No,
know. They must
sir, your party would have bun you.
Exactly. You
Now
can
them
imagine
hard
if you
time,
pour
yeah.
Nico and it would have even stick here if I pour 8 dumpling wife. You know? No, but
And you know which part is sticky, if the whole of them have a long nail, so them tell you for need the dumpling, and you better need it tight.
no. Well, and here's the thing now. Me know why people say me a promoting it arms house and thing because the point me I make is 4 wife different from if you have 1 wife and woman on the side and 18.
Oh.
That is the point me I make.
Yeah.
When you have 4 wife, the 4 of them have to eat. Me paranoid about woman that do me things, Me not
Yeah.
feel for talking. So you can't imagine that when them 4 women decide so them are going to plot and scheme and one of them are going to one of them are going to put all pin in the bed and blame it on the other one. No, me don't want them things.
Yeah, that's something.
Because women have a way when them war and them eat one another. After a while, them just come together and gang up on you, the man.
Raga, you know, something I think about the good time, and I not think about that part there when them that be wicked.
Then that me I tell you that's why the principal they have to teach you know.
Yeah,
You see, when you hear 4 wife, when I think about 4 women for start out with another thing. That's not the first thing going on.
First thing.
And me I say, first of all, let's even stick with the start out. 4 wife. And when you're
Emphasis and
done,
stick.
the 4 of them say, you're not ready again. Hold the backside if you're ready for the 4 of them. Me cannot manage it.
Just imagine the amount of money if all of them want a steely bed. Why? Life I got hard for you. If all 4 of them
Hey.
want a steely pastrapedic, you know your pocket I got bun.
Nico.
I like when you say I want to Raga, stick to the 4 wife. Emphasis.
No, but Nico.
Yeah.
You notice that she always go back to the money thing.
Yeah, she always go to that something. She forget something.
No, I'm
You see,
saying,
financial
no,
status.
I'm looking out for the men. Their pocket would burn them, you know? Because, I
look
mean,
at
you have,
the
to,
way-
you have to manage for that too much money that part food apart. Your pocket I got
Oh,
bun you.
thank you
I have your
so
interest
much,
at heart.
Patty Belly.
Thank you
That's
very
I wouldn't
very
want to
kind
see you
of
guys buying 4 steely pastrapedic. That's
Right.
too much money, man.
Oh, Lord
Come on,
have
in a
mercy.
recession?
Oh, Lord.
Not having it.
Anyway, we have got break. But more than 4 wife, can you imagine have 4 wife and all one of them people bed? Sure.
You know
what?
Anyway,
What do we do,
people.
sir, man? We can't-
There you have it. A brother in a Pakistan and thing, him have 3 wife and 2 of them come beat him up because them say him a draft for a 3rd wife and a be a drama reach him. And we say mix up and blender. That was...
Believe it? Oh my god, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my god, do you believe that?
A mix-up and blender time.
I'm want to call and talk up the team them.
Okay, right now it's Friday, and on Fridays we read our special type of news. And what do we call it? We call it Hot One News! Okay, coming up in part 1 news today. 2 blind women get licked down dead at bus stop. Dead man frighten the police and funeral workers. MC Nuffy get robbed on New Year's Day. And the Gargamel have to face more charges. And now the news. 2 blind women get licked down dead Monday evening and 5 more people mash up bad after one car running at them at one bus stop on Old Hope Road near to the Matilda's Corner police station. The police them say that the driver, who was one bank supervisor, they drop asleep while she did that drive and kill half the people them. The 2 women them were dead. They'd come from the Jamaica Society for the Blind, where they're nearby the bus stop. The son of one of the women them were dead. They carry her go bus stop a little time before the incident happened. The driver of the car looked like she never get any injury. In a Manchester, 80-year-old man with people they think said dead come back alive and frighten the police and the funeral parlor workers them. When them did a carry him body go to the hospital for doctor pronounce him dead. Them say them start to hear some strange noise that come from the back of the vehicle where the dead man was supposed to be. But when them take a stop, not the man that sit down up on a car. The police and the funeral workers, them take with themselves same time from the vehicle. But them they go back to the vehicle eventually and carry the man to the hospital where them admit him. MC Nuffy get robbed on New Year's Day. Them take him car and him money while him they dep on him way to an event. Nuffy asked the thief them to give him back him ID, but them never did a take no chat from him. And order him to start the car cause the kill switch in up on the car. Him say I run him off to run for him life and grab one taxi for go police station. Nuffy tell the police what go down and also the big man for the area, and after that him get back him things. Nuffy believes the feelings are carried from September when them did a call up him name in a one robbery at Gregory Park and Christian Penn in a Portmore, but Nuffy said nothing no go so. Buju Banton, a.k.a. Gargamel, a.k.a. Mark Myrie, I forgot go and bail a little bit longer before him know when them are going to retry him case in the United States for the cocaine and gun charges, because the judge yesterday put it off. Buju likely to get slapped with 4 counts of cocaine and gun charges instead of the 2. Them a put on some more charges for him. But him liar them a fight it because them say the increase in charges violate the 5th Amendment of the United States of America. If them find the Gargamel guilty, him can spend up to 20 years in jail and the U.S. government would take them assets them. Gives a different meaning to the song. It's not an easy road. Anyway, that was part 1 news. A weekly roundup of some of the biggest passa news where I go and catch me next week Friday at the same time for another update in a part 1 news. Well, right, you know, it's all about some email. I'm going to ring some emails, right, you know, some emails. And do remember, so the email address for the show is ragashantylive@gmail.com. ragashantylive@gmail.com. And that's with 1 G. Again, ragashantylive@gmail.com. Now for the emails. Raga, big up to the brother and sister where I sort out them one another. And the brother breed the sister and don't know what to tell the parents them. Because the 2 of them have same mother and same father. Oh, for Jesus. Next email. Raga, big up my mother-in-law who know me and her son there. And we had take vacation together. Only to find out said she did a set up her son with her husband daughter who is her stepdaughter. And she said she a Christian and professional. Well, watch your back. The mama-in-law don't like you, you know. She'll lure you out, so watch your back. Next email. Hi, Raga, I'm a regular listener to your show. I take you with me everywhere I go. I'm presently listening to you from Tucson in Arizona. Big up yourself. Love you, Raga. I am Keisha. Next email. Raga, big up the girl we walk us. Ooh. Should I underline this in my route? Yeah, me almost go say. We're going to big up the girl we walk we work somewhere in a furniture store in Portmore. We put it that way then. Again, we got the girl we work somewhere in a furniture store in Portmore. Where I call my phone hours a morning and ask me if I love her man. The girl called my phone 173 times non-stop, Raga. Everybody in the company know our business. And the thing about it is that the man not even my friend. A business we did a transact. But just want to make sure you know, say, I go in her store and stand up and look for her. She not even know me. But just show you how some girl fool, Raga. Because I could have done her. Because she don't know me. And in the man phone, she go dig up my number. I mix up with saying. Next email. Hold on, make me see. Okay. Next email. Raga, big up my sister-in-law. We did want her husband to eat from her garden. And when him finally do it, a coach I use, I can read that again. Raga, big up my sister-in-law. We did want her husband to eat from her garden. And when him finally do it, him say him not do it again. Because the mango where him eat was a stringy mango and him don't like stringy mango. And every minute, him did have to pick out the string them from out of him teeth. Raga, we didn't tell her to get a garden and fuss, you know, for trim off the bushes them and the rough edges them. But she never listened. Mad. Anyway, next email. Raga, big up to my boss for burn you out. I'm catch him a station the radio good so him can't hear you properly. Yes, man, we know them out there, man. We know them out there. I will always have to big up our little bossy woman friend uptown and thing who cuss me every day but listen me every day. You know yourself, Miss Lady, because you listen with the helper and the helper give me the met. The helper tell me, say, anytime he come on, you start cuss me. I don't know come on yet. Say the helper and your master. He say, Master, you're not listening to that idiot again. You're not, there he goes, you're not listening to that idiot. It's bare foolishness. Turn up the radio, Marcia. Turn up the radio. Listen to him. Listen to him. Damn idiot. I don't know why them have him on there. Turn up the radio, Marcia. Turn the room. Let me hear what I'm have to say. Yes, man. I want to love the mix-up because I want to say mix-up too. Mix-up brings up in a phone and sit the too. Anyway, next email. We're going to big up the dirty lesbian girl where I done a sort out, man, and say them straight. Well, I mean, I understand that statement. Raga, big up the dirty lesbian girl them where I and a sort out man and I say them straight. If them a lesbian and I hide and a sort out man, them would not say them straight.
No, man, maybe what she mean is that straight lesbian.
I don't think so. You know.
You don't think so?
No.
Remember, she said she a lesbian, you know, so when she tell
no,
them
okay,
she
no,
straight,
you know
yeah.
what? No. Make I tell you what it is, Wagwan. What you have here, she big up the woman them who are sort out man and are going like them straight,
yeah.
but she has said them are really dirty lesbian girl.
Oh.
And that she just write it weird. Right? Again, she has a mix up big up to the woman them. Them are sleeping man, you know.
Yeah.
But she has said them woman there really allude the thing because them are really lesbian.
Okay.
But the part to make it confusing is when she said a hide and a sort out man.
Oh.
Which gives the impression say they are more openly lesbian and them a gym screecher and a sort out the man. But anyway, make me finish the email. Raga, I want to send a shout out to the butch where beat her femme, a poly royal, through a man eyes her catty and her catty eyes the man back. And a femme, and for people who don't know, remember when we do the topic what there, the femi is the female lesbian and the butch is the more man, what we in Jamaica call man royal. Alright. And then she say, right, so and Raga a femi box down her butch a poly royal Friday night you're gone. And you want to see the butcher ball like baby. Raga have to mix up them lock, especially with the lesbian them. Yeah, but our femi for your box down a bush. That make any sense?
That makes sense.
That make any sense?
The femi butchish.
No,
well, I mean, maybe that woman that rule her man.
That man.
Come in, mama.
When you say, when you look on those two lesbians, where the femi box down the butch, one we just have to conclude. Say, you know, say that woman there rule our man. Mad. Hey, but differently still, it's incorrect to say it don't make sense. Given that, even among heterosexual man and woman relationship, you have woman a box down their man.
Yeah.
True.
Right, so nothing wrong with that. You can be a butch and still get boxed down. You're just not a strong butch. No, but isn't that funny? Because when in a heterosexual relationship, when a woman box down a man when she there with, we say, yo, a boy they go like a girl, he make a woman box him down.
Yeah.
So in a lesbian relationship now, when a femi box down the butch, what you say? Yo, you know, a man where a lesbian, she shame the butch them, yo. She go like a femi, yo. Hey, you go like a, hey, I hear me, if you stop with big ginger and Timberland, if you're going to take box them with them. Whoa.
Box them.
Mad. Okay, next email. Raga, big up my mother. Well, love look man on Facebook. And when she meet the man, and my man, and the woman know him and still go sleep with him and then come back, come tell me.
The mother cheeky.
Yes, man, all them breeder online kill this year. Dirty mama that. Dirty mama. Dirty Raga says she's a dirty mama. She now move right. Next email. Yo, principal, big up yourself. Flingy ratings for the Duchess. She have me weak anytime she touch the microphone. And she says she know how to hold the mic and talk. Anyway, principal, pre-da levels here. Me know a woman, she have a poodle. But her Jojo almost big as a poodle. And the little poodle is a big swiper.
I
don't know. Yo, hey, me not lie, from a bus to Juju talk, it just run the place like, whoa.
Me not lie.
No, Juju I go hard.
Yeah.
Hey, Nico, a crazy talk bus pan a show you doing. Juju, man, Juju. But right here, no, Nico, you probably don't know, but we're going to give you the more celebrated words than my bus pan a show you know? The one where really I take the place right, you know.
Which one?
No, for a long time, we just give the one them, but just like setting ice.
Okay.
Dana from Pembroke called boss one name Aganeri.
No, me know that one. Me hear that one.
You know that one?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. When somebody me say you're too damn Aganeri. You understand? And then country girl come one day and I talk about somebody who get liquor and she say, yo, the girl get one uncounteractable liquor.
No, what a dictionary then?
That dictionary they are Dankilian.
Dankilian, Trilad.
Exclusive to Dankilian. Yeah?
Okay, Michelle, which other word and phrase boss? Oh, it numb.
Yeah, it numb and normal.
Yeah, abnormal, yeah.
Yeah, but abnormal are the word, you know, but the phrase will sell off the whole term abnormal. What? None of me no normal. So the abnormal come with that phrase there. The none of me no normal. And the same person.
None of me no normal.
Yeah, none of me no normal.
Yo, Aniko, when you get a mix up, you know, I gotta take an extra man, you know, and she like she hype up on the wife and thing. And like she said to the wife, say, my girl, go on, like me, I take your man. Oh, can me known what me known.
Me known?
Yes, she known.
Me known what me known. She'll try, she'll say, you know. And she'll try to get stocious with the thing, you know. She'll try to get to do with it. And say, go on, can me known what me known. You're lucky. Oh, me known what me known. And me know how to change up and talk, bossy. Like the uptown people, okay, excuse me, me know when me known, okay, all right.
But me not lie though, I got to talk for the week, you judge a big like Belch. That a shot.
Nico, you never hear that one.
That a shot.
What? Raga.
Whoa.
Oh, me not do something while ago. Me hear that one still.
Oh, yeah. Oh, but Michelle, I forgot to know what Nico listening to.
Me listen sure.
Nico listening to.
Me not make tweets
So Nico know what go on. But we are missing any other sample thing with the boss, any other sample talk with the boss on the show.
You know, I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. Enough for them though.
But who no boss start no boy though? We know that though.
No man, on the show, people on the show, the callers them, and them boss some sample talk.
No man, Seki. Oh yeah man, how can we forget Fana? Watch your belly.
Watch your belly.
Why Fana boy?
Watch your belly.
More than Fana. Fana have nothing else to do, you know.
And Seki and
No, voila. Seki have our own library, like
the
yo, I over phone I go on some. Okay. Yo, people don't tell any to stop call me, man. Tell any to stop call me. Any stop call me, you know, you're on the radio, where you call me from. I soon call you, man. Sure. I make the phone and whatever, I need to use a BlackBerry if I use that.
If I did nobody from courtside like me, because you never have a ball.
Oh, if courtside, whatever.
I call you right now. I know you never say, courts, what? I soon pay on the wall. I know you're not doing it, Raga. I know you never say, courts, what? I'm on the radio, I can't wait. You what I say?
No, but that now at my car, I don't buy things I have purchased. I buy them cash.
No box me.
Raga, don't lie. Raga, don't do that, Raga.
No, boy. No, yeah, don't miss enough of box you with that fact. Never box you with that fact.
Angeline from Boulevard Court, she tell me about you.
Angeline from Boulevard Court.
Yeah, Court, Boulevard Shopping Center.
No, I'm not going at that, the courts there.
All right, Raga, this one.
I'm not going at that, the courts there.
All right, Raga.
A biggie go over there, one girl over there, one girl over there want whop up Biggie. Biggie from Jerusalem. One girl over there hot for Biggie from Jerusalem. This man.
Big up
no,
Jerusalem. Big up Jerusalem. I go over there come more.
Yeah, and big up Mar Valley too. Big up Jerusalem and Mar Valley.
Mad.
And big up Balcom, big up Waterhouse. Big up anything off of the Boulevard. Protocol, Washington, Ghana, Patrick City, Corville, New Haven. And we have to big up some of the semi-bossy era of them. Like Zia the Garden, even though it's a ton ghetto now.
Yeah, Raga.
No. Court prostitute and prostitute all over. When I somebody pick the two, I want to work hard.
Talk to them.
I want to work hard. Because before I leave, I'm going to work, I'm going to go pound the knee and pray. I want to go and work, I'm going to still the pound the knee and work too.
Especially the one that near jewels.
Nico, free up here. Where's that Nico? Nico, I hear a spot that. No,
Jeremy.
No, I hear a spot that. No,
Jeremy, tell me about that spot.
No, man, I hear a spot that, Nico. I just say your link there. No,
tell me about that spot there.
And you see what you got next to jewels. Right. Go see what you give them your jewels.
No, I'm not telling the truth. No, confession is good for the soul.
No, man, big up all like prostitute them and thing, and the one them who have combination deals. Oh.
Raga, you know about a combination something?
No, man. Them have a 2-pack, a 3-pack, and a 4-pack, you know.
Oh, God.
All right. You know what the 1-pack is? It's like any one. All
right, yeah.
I know you must know what the 2-pack is.
No.
Now, where it can get confusing for people is what exactly make up the 3-pack and the 4-pack combination of back road.
Oh boy, I tell you, but just do something for entertainment.
Don't try. Don't try.
No. But you see the 4-pack now, John, I don't know how them because it must hot.
4-pack. No, sir. I really mix up An Blenda show this.
No, but I tell you what me hear. Cause, hey, me not care nobody wants. Me love talk to prostitutes and go, you know.
No, I'm a friend them.
Hey, I'm a friend them. I'm not hide and talk. Hey, listen to me, Nico. Listen to me.
Yeah.
You want to know what really are going on in Jamaica?
Yeah.
If you want to know what really are going on in Jamaica, talk to helpers, barbers, hairdressers, nail tech,
gym instructors,
police, taximan, nurses.
And gym instructors.
No, gym instructors are really in it. Gym instructors are really trained prostitutes, you know. Jimmy instructors are merely trained prostitutes. You know, Jimmy instructors are really know people business. But remember, I tell them, man, hey, nurse, them know people business, you know?
Nurse, know
Yeah,
everybody
cause them carry the file, yeah.
Thank you.
Cause them carry the file.
Thank you. Helper. And you see all the gardener them the way you see they go and like say them and dig
And
up
don't
this
forget
dig
the
up
people
gra-
them at the hotel.
Yes, hotel people.
Oh,
them.
Jesus God, man.
you
Oh,
remember
Lord, thank
that?
you.
And them are
And
And the
them.
security guard them, cause them
And
have to let them
security guard,
in.
yes. Yes. And them have to file them.
Yeah, cause
Anyway.
them the pass.
You see it? I saw it thing said. That's why I make sure my friend the whole of them, because every now and then I get my phone call, Raga, you need to come up at the hotel now, on the balcony, up there with the liquor.
Lord have
Anyway.
mercy.
Anyway,
Yes.
we're going to break right now when we forward. It's all about the 4-line DJ Nico. Just go on, I've got to play some music, look more saying. We're so forward, and we're going straight to the 4-line when we jiggy back. See it there?
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man. Welcome back up in the sitting and thing. I would just want to say enough respect to all the people who are sending community. Essentially, a big way up for equipment.
For real.
And say big up to the
clear.
New Jersey ladies, them say, boy, the New Jersey ladies, them say, them a listen over there, of course, in New Jersey. And them say, it's unbelievable that I'm not in the studio. Them
For
can't
real.
believe it.
It's sharp, man. It's clear. Hey,
clean.
Hey, Raga, guess what? Listen, big up Sean Parker. I'm lucky, you know. And that,
Sean Parker.
Yeah, man.
The Sean Parker.
Yeah, man.
Tia, Sean Parker locking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, when the artists them lucky Nico, you know, we like to play them tune, you know, so line up some Sean Paul and
Alright,
come more here, sir.
alright.
Don't tear.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I don't have any mix up on Sean Paul. Yeah.
Yeah, we had a good thing.
Lord have
Yeah.
mercy.
Like, man, you know, somewhere Johnny had the weird,
Now, yeah, what I say big up, you know, I like about Sean Paul, though. Cause you know me fast. You know say, Sean Paul have what for hype and him not hype.
That is true.
Yeah, I'm not I.
I'm cool.
You know, say, from Sean Paul, I go on, I never see Sean Paul in one big flashy car yet, not even one time. And I flash and I go on and I kick up. No.
True that.
Not even one time. And I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I think him still a drive the same. I want Lexus.
No, I'm big man.
I want big van him drive.
Yeah.
But anytime I see him, you know, anytime I travel and buck him up, man, the man always just humble with him, look at knapsack on him back, you know, and I go through.
Him not man a bag of chain. Him not do-
No,
him not cut up his
no,
hair.
yeah. And that you, the anytime you talk to him, not one time I talk to Sean Paul, and you know, you get a vibe on him like you're arrogant here, or what?
No, I'm ever cool.
I'm ever cool. And finally, me notice say, him still amongst the girl where, you know, him did them amongst before him boss.
That's good.
No, that is
That's
good. That is
That
good.
is good.
That is good.
That is
No,
good.
me don't know what is what in them thing. I know say that link that it did it. I don't know say she did on TV to and rate it, right? We don't know how,
Yeah,
right?
but we know. Yeah.
Look good girl, proper. When she stand up in all water in a bathing suit and all them thing, you want bad mind Sean Paul, where she look good. That me say. You understand? All right. But when me I say, me see him and her, and I see him a fly and him in a first class, she in a first class to that. So you know, say I rate things that jack because you have some woman that hype to them own the man in and the man in first class. Them there we at the back next to the bathroom and I playing. Yeah, and them say coach. Yeah, you understand? And when them want to talk to them so-called man, them have to send message with a flight attendant. Oh.
When the man eat meal, them a munch pan chips.
Yeah, and them say pretzel. So white salty, make a little more water. No? Yeah, I see Sean Paul I roll with him queen, and the two of them up front I eat the same food, and that was say. So you see when a man can or a woman can still talk to who them did there with before, we have to rate them for that. But at the same time, we have to understand say you have some people there with somebody and the person boss, and on the person who boss change, you know, and who them there with change.
That's all?
You understand
Yeah,
what I'm
man,
saying?
Timbaland sing a song
no,
about that. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes it quick for people blame the person who bust and say, what you
that's true.
But what I'm saying is sometimes I know the person who bust change, and the person who them did there with long time cannot manage that person being successful.
True.
Yeah, and say them turn star and people are hug them. What am I hug you for? What am I hug you for? Them know where we are come from. Don't make them hug you. I don't like it.
Emotional wall.
You understand? And then now you have to choose between collecting your award at the Academy Awards and like staying at Oakland with this girl that who wants.
True. And then you know what the thing, I'm not gonna lie, cause like I'm speaking from a female perspective and like, some of them really not understand it for true. Because the man boss and like him have to go like say studio nighttime or whatever. Yeah. Look at a woman yard and people know say him gonna studio gonna bring in the little fruits for that, for the house and them look way there are true.
Well, Michelle, I feel you right now, Nico, I feel you, because
I'm
rooting
Nico? For the guys.
Yes, because Nico, say we have to dip on the road all night.
I work hard.
Yeah,
we work hard.
Yeah.
And we always come home.
We always come in no matter how much we put out a room.
I left the rice on the table and Duppy don't play up in it when it's still a come.
No, don't talk them things. Don't talk.
When you talk about food now and something
don't talk them things. Don't talk. We don't eat with Duppy.
No.
We don't eat with Duppy.
No.
We don't eat with Duppy and we don't eat Duppy. Big up Shireen Anderson and things, seeing larger part of the people who are listening and locking. Big up all our get up people who build the show and stand up strong with me and support me like that. Now let me know. Never. And we say for Iva and for Iva, the thing locked away there. Rascava over there in a mere pen, Clarence and large up yourself. Foundation sitting and you set it to in a Rascava. All people have to thank people like Rascava, I'm a real big man in the thing. And anytime my show come on, the man have the show over there on a big loudspeaker system over there, like a big community gathering type of thing, large up. And big up all of the people who have what them call Raga Party, where everybody come together on a sheer mix-up and all them thing. Big up the group up at Reddings Road, they were having a Raga Party and so forth and things like that. Large up on yourself indeed. All right, an in-law mix-up with the pan, yeah? In-law mix-up, any mix-up, boy, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your mama-in-law, your papa-in-law, or your friend-in-law, any in-law. But if you have any other mix-up where you know shell down, sell off, and turn up, call in and rinse that same way, and talk up the things and keep it real, and afraid on the Jamaican language, afraid on the Jamaican culture, just talk and rinse and reel out like a bobbin. All right, to the phone line to go. But do remember, on the keep it real, and thing, but nobody come with an F word and a P word and all them something there, because somehow sometimes like when I get too relaxing, I think. Jeremy stay vigilant. Root Levy stay vigilant. Michelle stay vigilant. You understand? So if them slip with them little lingua and stuff, just load up the CGB button right there for me. The Cardell Green button. Yeah? To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Sir, Raga, sir. Well,
sir. Hold on.
Yes.
Sir, long time. When I hear from you. Hold on, sir, you don't mind, because of the uniqueness of your identity, we just have to remind people who you are. You don't mind?
Of course, no, not at all.
All right, allow me to do so. People, this is a caller for a long time named Sir, and we were introduced to Sir as a gigolo. That means Sir, make his sexual services available to women for a fee. And Sir, same travel must go 7 different countries, and a woman pay for him go all of them countries there, and a woman pay him for sort out and pay him for sex. So we used to Sir, I say my gigolo and all them thing there. Only if it's Sir on the internet one time with one young youth and thing, a bus big kiss and whatever. And Sir come out same gear. And Sir wait till he go foreign and come out on internet and on Facebook a kiss boy and all of them thing there. And thing and go on like saying didn't want trick where I tell people say my gigolo. So Sir didn't make we know now. So him is first and foremost a homosexual man, but that him sell himself to woman. Okay, sir, you may proceed.
What a formal introduction.
No, but we have to make the people them know who is Sir, because you don't know, so you will come with anything where we have to, so we want the people that it's my job to locate you in the appropriate context that will enhance comprehension on the part of the listeners.
One correction, though, Raga. You said that
Hold on. Something that near you make nice. Let them go with it. Are you move it from it here? Sir.
No, they might come to. And nobody will make the nice and say nothing, Raga.
No, man. Me talk some radio or something that play or something.
Not on the radio. On the radio.
Or TV. No, TV. No, man. Move it from that sound.
All right, they move it from me.
Yes, yep. So what you saying?
Yeah. Yes, I have an in-law with their Jamaica, Raga.
No, you see, before you do that, you say you have a correction.
Oh, yes. You say, you in an introduction, you say that present myself as a gigolo. And I was a gigolo.
You were a gigolo.
I was always a gigolo.
You were always a gigolo. But you were just a gigolo to women. You never sell yourself to men.
No, both ways.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
all right.
I never come back up and say, yeah, maybe I sell myself to man. And
because they would have killed you.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, all right then.
Yeah, but never in-law with their Jamaica, rather.
Yeah.
Where look like when Miss Piggy turned 86. Young little girl, she in her 20s, in her mid-20s. And look like Miss Piggy when she was 86, rather.
So she looked like a very old pig.
Yeah, somebody old and look straight bad, wagga. Nose broad off, hang down her lip, and then the cock up, hang up over her forehead. Like a
okay.
Yeah, Jamaica, take my niece close. She have my niece in an argument. She can't put up her phone. My brother against my niece. My niece move out of the house because she can't tell the food. Although she's a fish, move out of the house. Have her clothes, they are good going out clothes and stuff there. The girl does not more than take it and dash it when the girl come back to take it out. When the girl come back for her clothes, then her clothes in the day. Then she have one other little niece now, my 15-year-old niece, what she put up against me. But I want to make them know this and that. They know them and listen. And I want them to listen very carefully. They know where I'm coming from. They know where I was when I was in Jamaica because them from my house and sister, they live their life. I never live in a full life in Jamaica. I left from I travel almost different country, England 2 times, Germany, Holland, Barbados 2 times, Cayman Island 2 times, Antigua. I come to America, I go to Disney World. Only for them.
Well on. Every time you travel in place, you go start out people for money, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I come to America, I know New York, I know Philadelphia, I know Connecticut, I know Massachusetts, I know New Jersey. So when them sit down and watch me and never talk, say me a this and me a be man and me a this and me a that. Me ever always be who me be. I'm happy and proud of myself. At 2011 now, who don't like me, farm the long line. And some of them not even get ticket to farm the line. They just look at the line. Farm the long line.
Sir, are you still a gigolo, which is a nice name for a prostitute? Are you still a gigolo to men and women?
No, me I either myself no rather. Me I go college.
You go where you stop, sir?
Yeah. I come here and apply for asylum, you know. And that's already published myself on Facebook. So when them have big time, I go and I thank them for it because I didn't something they want to go for me I go for. I know the things they don't know what they're doing and getting from it.
Oh, so when you come out of the closet on Facebook and whatever, and the people them start down here and I say if you dead and all them thing there, it was all strategic.
Of course, that me the one. Because me never, me there Jamaica, me there live my good life. It's just that me there live a double life. I me never I travel, I come and see the thing, them want come and more free myself. I mean, if I come here, if I come married a woman and then go hold on for my paper, or peace in the marriage or anything, so I'm seek it the other way. Me alone need to stand for mine, receive my asylum and I get it. You get your thing them already, you get your paper. Yes, in a 1 year, yeah, that November 2009, I come at Thanksgiving, and the 1st of November this year, I get it.
All right, so you're good here now.
Everything check. Yes, I call it annual in a straight right now. I go for my kids, I did money, I go find a medical assistant technician.
So, sir, big and
So
serious.
me now
You really
fight
done
with
this.
them,
You
even like with them, yeah. Yeah, man,
you really done the
thing, brother.
You really done the
Yeah,
gigolo
done the
thing.
gigolo thing, because- Yes, because guess what?
Well, with both man and woman.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So who you settle on with? Who you settle on with now? A man or a woman?
Yeah, I still go with man.
A man you still go with, oh.
I'm done the gigolo thing. Yeah, man.
So well on now. You done with woman now? You done with woman now? Well on, you done with woman?
2009, me, I'm not going to woman. From 2009, me, I'm not doing a woman.
Okay. So if I may use a paradoxical term, right now for you, a straight man.
Right now. Yeah. No, it could. I couldn't say literally speaking. I don't know how it could have been a straight man, but.
Okay, me mean only.
Right
Me
now.
mean straight as in only. In a Jamaica, when we say straight, we use it's a only man. That's why I said it's a
Yeah, right
paradoxical
now.
term. It's contradictory. So only man you there right now.
Yeah, but if I mean, if me link a woman, come and talk to woman and you so maybe and still appreciate themselves, but it's just that them not have no, them not financially stable or anything, so they now put themselves based on me look themselves right now either, because we're not upon the foolishness.
In other words, you have some woman out there. You have some woman out there only gay man them like, don't?
Yeah, nothing to only gay man them like every man, but it's them to get a gay man because them know the gay man more loving, them know gay man know to do the things, and them know gay man know to eat up the food and do good and something them. So I just
What you say? What you say? The woman them know. What you say? The well, I know. You say the woman them know. Say gay man more loving. Them know how to eat up the things them and know how to do the things
yeah,
them.
them more romantic. Yeah, them vegetarian and them more romantic and them know the things them.
Hold on. Stop right there, sir. You know, say you. Hold on, sir. You know you're damn bright and rank.
No,
Are you trying?
Me no know about ring, but my bright. Me no know about ring, me know bright.
But sir, are you trying to tell me that? Hold on, sir.
Heterosexual man, we just jump on something and just boom and gone. The other man, they know we know to do the things. They for the extra man. We know the touch the crease on the corner. They know what is what. We not saying heterosexual man when they know the things then, but majority we know the things then more than the heterosexual man. The heterosexual man then just boom and gone.
Okay, no, sir. Okay, no. Okay, this is the conclusion I'm getting from you. Correct me if I'm wrong or agree and say. You are saying that all things being equal, in general, gay men, if them set their mind to it, can be more romantic lovers to women than straight men.
Yeah.
Damn foolishness! Damn foolishness! Damn foolishness! Damn foolishness, sir! Damn foolishness!
Well, I can understand from your point of view, you might say damn foolishness, but I know what I know.
Yeah, no, sir. But, sir, before you cut, can I forgot to some other cards and things. But, sir, you know, sir, we keep it real on the show, don't?
Yeah, man.
Sir, when you take the man, them in the hat.
The other way around, brother. The other way around. We not take the man. We don't know about dog in the line, but we not take the man now.
You never take a man yet. You always give it to. Oh, you always give it to the man. So you only give it. You only give it to.
Never package, brother.
A package. Are you name blessed with it?
Package. I'm blessed with it. Yeah.
So anytime you are asleep, so anytime you are asleep with a man, are you always give it to the man?
Yeah. And that them a pay, sir. The price for them on the other something, brother.
So you never take a man yet?
No.
From you do the things that you never take a man yet, eh?
Never. Pay, no, brother. Pay enough for me.
Pay. So finally, before we go, people are listening to you right now and say this damn nasty, disgusting boy and this and that. God going to kill him and all and sitting there. Sodom and Gomorrah burn out and all them things there. What you have to say to them people who are burn out your nasty this right here now?
They're lucky. The more burn them burn that the more me shine. The more burn them burn that the more. Me coming like diamond. You burn it up, burn it and just shine and get more glitter. So the more burn. Because we not live righteous. We not live clean. Whether we have to go with man, whether we are doing we are people out of marriage, we are sex out of marriage, we are thieves, we are lie, and none of them are things to 9 of the 19 of the none. So we are what can talk one, we have our own talk to sit down and then lucky.
All right, sir. All right, now listen to me now. You just clear up what you need for... you clear up what you need for clear up in your life and behave yourself and all them things. All right. We'll cut you now. I want some other call here.
All right, yes.
All right. Okay, I mix up with saying, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
My God.
Yes, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
Much?
Are you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
All righty.
I'm going
Talk
to
to me.
mix up in our one, tell you something about one of your peeps who always call you my friend still.
All right, talk up.
The person who always call you, she always call your program, and she dip on
Yeah.
your wall, and she dip on your fan wall, and you sing. She always call the program, Raga.
Yeah.
She go Dr. Wodia. When she go Dr. Wodia, she take sick. She always call you. I'm a friend too. She must be a listen too. She always complain from Wodia. Say her head hurt her and she don't feel good. Something wrong. So me say to her, say, go to the doctor, man. And she say, yes, she go to the doctor. She go to the doctor, Raga. And would you believe that the woman thinks her pressure up, something wrong with her, something wrong. Would you believe that when she got a doctor, Raga, the doctor tell her, say, I saw what you want?
The doctor tell her, say, I saw what you want?
Raga, her padlock na pull from 1999. The padlock na pull. And the woman sit down and think about sort out. The way she think about the sort out, Raga, it stress her out.
Hold on now. 19...
From 99 until now, Raga.
Well, but the only person who called and said that to me when I was second back on me.
Raga.
Eh?
Ragger.
Eh?
I follow big, you know. Ragger.
Eh?
Ragger.
No, man. I can't my second back on me here done, so Allah you tell for second.
Raga. Me never call no name, Raga, don't mix me up. Me never call no name, don't mix me up.
All right, you never call no name. And you not call no name.
Me not call no name. Me say somebody.
All right.
Friend.
Okay, so the person you tell, oh, you know, so the doctor tell the person
Raga,
that said them need.
Not friend, Raga. The person called me one time. She come home from the doctor and tell me that she shame like dog when the doctor tell her so, Raga. She want the start out and she want it bad.
Hey,
the doctor tell her that she need to go home, go get start out, get somebody to start her out. Her padlock and pull from 99, Raga. Not even double D 44 can help she.
Hey, we did a joke about it, you know, but sex is an amazing stress reliever, you know.
Yes, true.
Hey, you know, say, woman call it, she want to talk about it, people call it, and people talk about it in general. Sometimes you can't get all a good work where it lasts if you have good 2-3 weeks if the work sell off, you know.
Raga, sometimes months, Raga.
Don't it? One good solid work. We just fix you and set you know.
Start out, Raga. Sometimes you have all stress and trust me, when you get a little start out, the way it's sweet, Raga, for all months, you just walk on cloud nine.
Then hey, you ever get a good start out and work and you just feel light? Light!
Yes, Raga. Yes,
light!
Raga. Yes, Raga.
Hey, you ever have an enemy who takes a point and you see them, you just get, you feel like you want to kill them, and after you get all a good start out, when you see them, it's like nothing.
It no matter to you, Raga. It no matter.
It don't matter to you, the man attack up the thing, you don't even look on them because you're under a good shell them turn up start out.
Yes, Raga, I know where you talk, Raga.
That is why I am convinced enough of the people who takes it from me have problem with my show, them not getting any.
Start out, Raga.
Them not getting any. Cobweb full them up, cobweb full them up, cobweb full them up, and them say rusty.
Yes,
them
Raga,
not getting
true.
any stress. I kill them and them want to come to down them crosses from me.
Yes,
you understand?
Raga.
But we say good work now. When last you get
yes,
a good work?
Raga, me get some 2 nights ago. Good one too.
And it is sell off.
Sell off, Raga. I'm on cloud nine right now.
How much style you do? How much style you do?
Only for style, Raga. Me not even
no,
remember
just
them.
tell me how much you do. How many of them you do? Both them.
Raga, whole leaf, and everything say whole leaf for them.
No, but you can't whole leaf so that you should remember.
Raga, me
what time you work? Dresser, you shot it on the dresser, that man.
Yes, that man. Dresser, come like it up this up on the dresser. Raga,
yo,
me like the big heavy thick man them. We 125 me like little skinny man. Me like the big thick man them. We can lift me up and put me places, take me places.
Tambourine!
Start out on the bed, Raga. But like when you lift me up and put me all over the house. Carry me all outside too, sir.
Just lift you up and all walk with you and I set you, know.
Carry me all over the house, Raga.
Yo, that man, you know, that nice, you know, man.
Yes,
and
Raga,
you know what nice too? When we are carrying and we don't stop.
Yes, Raga.
And we say walk with it and sit there. But yo, you know it's enough woman I know if it's start up and dress and them don't know the technique. There's a way
Raga, it's nice.
Hold on, man.
Right by your office, in your desk in the office. Raga,
Hold on. Before we get to the office, some woman don't know say there's a technique where you lean back on the glass.
Yes,
you know, if you put your full weight on the glass.
No, you can't put your full weight on the glass.
Yeah, some man go like them and broke up your dresser, man. You understand?
No, Raga. They don't know it, Raga. They don't know it.
Yeah, them toss off kind of strong up. You can't lean on the glass, you know, but there's a...
But you can't put all your weight on the glass.
Ah, you must have hold the man neck.
Right. Most of the weight supposed to go back by him. You barely touch back on the glass.
Yeah, man. Yeah, some girl go like them and broke your dresser glass. I'm not depending. But anyway, take care of your I will break here.
Yes, Raga.
All right, second back, come and big up yourself. Find the WD-40 and get rid of them roster. We're soon forward. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, Raga.
What am I hold it to know?
Master, I have a mix of the gear still. Let me just hear now.
Rings.
Alright. One of my friends tell me that she in a taxi. Kingston town here, so. And she I go for an English woman girl in the car. I call her friend in England and say, boy, if she come out here, she don't get a start out. I'll know.
Hey.
You understand? So she tell her friend, say, back in England, you know, say, boy, I just ask my uncle if he do it started. You understand?
So she just ask her uncle if he do it?
Yeah. And she tell her friend in England how her uncle start her out good. You understand? So
in the taxi, I make them talk, yeah?
In the taxi, his phone up on speaker. You understand? So the driver pick up some people along the way and everybody start both of the laugh there, you understand? Then the taxi man and come out.
She come at Jamaica and she come here, she not get the salt out and she heated for the thing. She just dash it out on her uncle.
Her uncle dash it out on her. You understand? She ask her
no,
uncle.
No. She dash it out on her uncle.
Well, more like that.
Right. She dash it out on her uncle.
So
then the dashing out I go and the woman them do the dash out, you know. Remember?
Alright, boss. Alright, Raga.
I saw it.
Raga.
No. Yeah.
So your friend in England now and say when she get her share. So she tell the friend say, don't worry, I'll try get him up there so that we can have him for your one. You understand? So right now the uncle's on a foreign in England right now. You understand? So that's too.
Oh, yeah, so eventually them are going to get him up there if we go deal with the two of them.
Yeah, same way.
Okay, all right then. Now say a word, man, that crazy.
Boy, Raga, I have to big up yourself, you know, because you don't know, say you're a general and you're a boss long time, you know. You don't know.
Cool, I'm a king. Blessings, man.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, come here, my boss, them, you know, every day they cut me, say me listen, you know, fin up him, found out their work, you know. And as me tune in and me start laugh, everybody start laugh same way. Yeah, and my voice always up on speaker.
No, say a word, man. We understand the level, man. I saw the thing said, but entertainment, and one day everybody will just understand it on that level.
Exactly.
And don't get too uptight. All right, my king, protection here.
Yeah, man, cool.
Okay, why that man? Move to our uncle. I don't know. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Raga, I just called to correct you about the two people that got licked down at the bus stop.
Yeah.
I'm a family friend of one of them, the one that named Joanne Scarlett. They said it was blind. I just called to correct it. It's not. She's not blind. She's not a blind person.
Okay.
She's a helper of Colin Campbell, MP Colin Campbell.
Well, he was an MP.
Yeah, he was an MP, a former MP.
Okay. Former MP, right.
Yeah, so she's not a blind person. She were coming from his home at the time from work.
Oh.
Yeah. So the news got it wrong.
All right. I would tell the people who write the news to me.
Yeah, sometimes I hear news, Rock, I don't really go straight here.
Okay. But it was being reported elsewhere too that it's two blind person. I'm sure you
no,
probably saw it.
No, she's not blind. It's somebody we know very
No, I know. No, I'm not disputing what you're saying. I'm saying it was reported elsewhere also that it was two blind people. Did you hear those reports also?
Yes, I heard it.
Okay, you heard them. Okay, all right. So they too were wrong.
Yeah, they two were wrong. So it's on your show. I heard it today, so I just decided to call in and let them know it's not true. Yeah.
Okay. Was the other person blind? Was the other person blind?
I don't know of the next person, but I know Joanne in person. To be honest with you.
Right. And she could have see tooth. She could have see everything well.
Yeah, because it's where she coming from.
Right.
I don't want to know her, to be honest. She and my sister-in-law work up by Colin Campbell House for several years. And up to New Year's, they work together.
Okay.
Right now, my sister-in-law is still working there.
Okay, but listen, condolences to you and all the surviving relatives and friends.
Yeah, man, it's really heart-wrenching.
I'm sure it's a heart-wrenching, unexpected, untimely loss like that, and for her to have gone the way she did,
really, because boy, she had a breadwinner car, husband, that up in wheelchair and all of that. So she have fair look, so she's not blind here. She's not a blind person.
Oh, Lord, and all the surviving family members ain't
man. All right,
but thank you for that correction. Here, much
Okay,
appreciated.
thank you.
Good. All right, here we go to the phone lines again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa. Boom.
I call straight from out of the United States with a mix-up right now.
Well, you know, say up at the US, but they have to.
Yeah. You would have one for me now, you see? It's like, say, yesterday, Raga, it's like, say, old lady come catch me, drive all my truck for my girlfriend yard, You understand?
Well, your old lady come catch you at the
last night, and it's like, say, my wife come and drive all my truck to Raga. And me say, drive my truck. You understand? And me have to move and tell her a lie, Raga, me I tell her the truth, yo. I tell her a lie and tell her, say, I hear me? I'm a mechanic here at the truck when there, Guess what going on, Yeah, police and you should go out with last night, She handcuffed me, blur, not last night, Raga. I tell her the truth. And tell me if you tell her the truth.
All right, hold on, a couple of things. In the United States, it's quite common for people in the African diaspora, black peoples, to refer to them woman as them old lady. But, hello? Look like we'll ask a call at Road, see if we can get him back, I don't know. But I was going to give a clarification that in the United States, very often the man them up here refer to them woman as an old lady. But in Jamaica, we almost never do that. Anytime we say old lady, we are referred to a mother and things. And we're going to provide a clarification so that you don't have any misunderstanding, given how global the show is now, people are listening all over. That's part of my role as host, to provide them clarification. And, my knowledge of the Jamaican culture and other spaces to provide them clarification. But look like we lose him and thing and whatever. So I'm woman did come catch him at the Bonner girl yard, at the matey yard, and she probably have a key for the vehicle. And she drive with the vehicle, and then him, I don't know, it look like she never see him, so him go back and say mechanic yard and whatever, and him and her kick off again, and she handcuff him. Yo, that's why I'm not care nobody want to say, I don't think I'm there with a policewoman, I don't think I'm there with a policewoman. He should wake up and me handcuff just so and all him something. And my issue is that policewoman always have link to bad man police, so they can't get anything done to you. Me no think so. Where you say Nico? Nico in high student, Emily?
Nico work off some sweat on the stairs and incessantly for 20 level.
No, but we didn't want to ask you, but because they always tell people, say, yo,
yeah.
Me no chat
see me, I run and come in. Hurry, Nico, hurry. Jesus, why have you put off my face? What come, Nico, hurry.
Nico.
Hurry.
Wave there.
Yeah, wipe off your face to come in. Jesus.
Yeah. But before I start, I want to read it. That's about that.
My work the stairs, man.
No, we were just saying that you're a man of an impeccable character.
Yeah.
That, your integrity is quite commendable, and that you're somebody for the rest of humanity to emulate.
Okay. Feel like I'm something that.
Oh, no, we would never say anything bad about you, Nico. But Nico, like you got you. You're not there with a policeman.
I must say that I have been in that sort of situation.
Hold on. Nico, oh, your microphone sounds so low. Tell him say your mic sound low.
Yeah, the microphone, not hear me not check. One, yo.
Yeah, you did there with a policeman already? Are you not talking to the microphone, man? You did there with a
one long time, Raga.
I don't know, 6 or 1 half dozen of the other. If you do with a policeman, at least you can have some link to help you when certain things go down.
Yeah, but them the one, Mr.
If you want to kick off a different city.
Right, that part that them never did tell me about that part there. That part there was serious part. Cause it's like the whole of them link, no traffic ticket never passed me. I learned me did right. I learned me good, me never have on the seatbelt and I still get ticket.
You see? No, well, in general.
You ever in a situation there?
Who, there with a policeman?
Yeah.
Not there with.
Did I? Okay. So
let us just say.
Hear me out, try put it a little nice, you know.
No, let us just say on occasions I've exchanged favors with female representatives from the law enforcement entity.
Why, you host a show for them?
I mean, say MC.
I hear you. But we didn't like it though. We enjoyed kind of. There was time when I put a time called role play. You know, stay in a uniform.
Stay in a uniform. No, well, me not too like that. You know, wife she got reel out a button.
No. Not where handcuffs are involved.
No. But I said, baby, I love you in a police uniform. But it's when it comes to the button thing, that's my thing, okay? Put on the button. You don't move to me with a button. I don't take button. You take button. Me not take button. Alright. Make a box our next caller. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, what's up?
I don't have a in-law mix-up, but I have a mix-up for you.
All right, talk up loud. I'm going to hear the mix-up.
Oh, I was with this guy for 6 years. We were together. But during the relationship, I decided that I'm going to give him one. And I sleep with this girl. And after we do the things, then she left. She like...
Hello?
No, she can't. Oh, she got. No, we can't lose one bit. I want it so late.
Root, I walk one. Root, manage the thing for me, no, man. We can't have two call, one after the other, and the call a drop. So.
Our credit, but...
Our credit?
On the back credit, we not call no man.
What she did say a while ago, Michelle? She said what? She said after we what?
She said, me and my
born
boyfriend
her man with a woman.
No, listen, Raga, listen what Ruth is.
Me and my boyfriend work together. And I decided to bond him with a woman.
Together.
And then the credit done.
Together.
A good mix up that, you know.
Yo, man, no, it doesn't go to, yo.
Call back.
Hey, suppose you see how me keep back in my seat. So,
ready for that one?
Me say yes. Here we go now. Just what Raga likes to hear. Proper mix up.
Raga.
No, please call back. Call forward too. Anyway, here we go. All right, Bongs next caller. Sit down. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes. What's
Hello?
up? Yeah, man. Greetings.
Oh, okay. I have two mix-up to give you, right?
All right.
One is about this man that works at one of them aluminum places.
All right.
All right. After the recession started, things got so bad for his girlfriend's family that all of them came to him and start begging him.
Right.
Raga, the man sleep with all of the woman's sister them, all 6 of them, plus the mother, and shoot everybody.
And do what?
Shot everybody.
Wait, okay, that's
they were all sick.
Sexually transmitted infection.
Uh-huh.
So what I know? Theme girlfriend, sister them come theme to him for money and him mother and him sick out the whole of them.
Do everybody and chop them. The only person who got exempt was his own daughter. Them give him a nice whap him and put him out.
What you mean? What you mean them whap him and them beat him up?
Yeah, because he was living in the girl's home. And all her sister them and mother live close by.
No, but you see, me don't know about the whap him and put them out, you know, because for him go get for sleep with the 6 of them plus the mama. At some point, one did have to know so the other one are going with something.
Nobody never know till everybody gets sick and turn up with the same illness.
What the backside you tell me saying a master God will you?
That's me I tell you.
So it look like the whole of them did a hide and do the thing there and feel so them are one.
All of them did a hide.
Okay, so each one must feel that them alone did a shot it on the side, no?
Yes, everybody I keep them secret, Raga.
That time him arrange to himself family ram. And so what kind of disease the whole of them catch you?
Shot, the gun one.
Oh, gonorrhea. Right, yes, so them get shot. So the whole of them catch gonorrhea. And when them find out so the whole of them have gonorrhea, all the mama catch it too?
Everybody, Raga. Nobody never thought to use one of the gloves.
No, but me know, all right, so fine, him a dirty man or whatever. But you don't feel so there is a level of carelessness man the whole life on the sister them and the mama.
Yeah, man. Them was the village laughing stock.
When this happened?
Last year.
Last year. Well, you can't say nothing about no road or anything, but you just can't tell with the area.
Oh, it's 2010, man. Last
2000.
year, the parish Clarendon.
The parish is Clarendon, so somewhere in the Maypen area, right?
Yeah, somewhere after so.
After so.
More towards top.
More to hello?
Hello?
Well, your credit are done?
Yeah, 1 minute late. I'm just put $100 credit on it.
Root. I have some credit. Give me a next call in the meantime. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga.
Yes, hello.
How you doing, sir?
Well, me there I give thanks, you know, and you?
I'm blessed, you know, man. But I forget that one now. Oh,
but
you know
man, I'm watch it.
And I'm
Yes.
mother send me a please call me.
Yeah.
When I answer the call, one boy answer the phone. So I say, put up on the phone. Baby, you want, you know. Me say you look good. You fucking want to eat your mango straight up. I say, oh, that's for the phone. And then the boy said, please, call me for you, brother.
Hold on.
What you want to do with me?
Hold on. And you say, is your goddaughter mother phone, the police call me to come after?
Right, I'm answer it.
Because you think, say, at the mother, at the daughter, you have to talk to, don't you? And then,
she has set me up on one boy. Me don't know this boy. Rather me can't tell what me tell him. Rather me can't tell what me tell him. Me say, boy, him know from nowhere. And you don't buy $100 credit and make it done and me say, I'll call you back. You say, please call me for your mango.
And I tell you same one, you and I tell you same one, you hear mango, don't?
Yes, straight talk, Raga.
But of course, him said the straight up word, right? But you are use code now, don't?
Yes, me have to carry me up on the radar, Raga. Me is a big man, me can't go naked like that.
Me know, no, and I appreciate it because that is what we want when you're talking on the radio, you use code. But yes, you sound like a big man. About how old are you now if you go hear them breed that crosses?
Next month.
You are 55 next month, and you hear a little boy a call and say, I eat your ear mango.
Straight talk.
That well, is your friend make the friend make the boy call you?
Yes.
What kind of friend that you have, man? That's a breed of nastiness that them are saying.
She have 4 baby and 9 baby father.
She have what?
4 baby and 9 baby father, Raga.
Well, no feel no way. 1 second. I'm married. Voila. What you say? She have 4 picnic and 9 baby.
9 baby father.
That means
father police kill.
What that? Oh, you said that? Oh, that go?
8 and the baby father dead.
But oh, it for be 8. What she give 1 to more than 1 baby father?
Me that because I don't know the match like that. She has 4 baby and 9 baby father, and 8 and baby father dead.
No, because here I know. She gave the picture them to more than 1 father.
Then me say.
And 8 of them dead and a police kill 8 of them.
8 police kill 8 baby father out of 4 pictures.
Then well, so be a shot as she talk to them.
I don't know what she talking about. Every man, she she's a number 3. Or what? I don't know. Anybody else is a number 3 today, because you must wait, because the next man soon dead.
When you say the number 9 man soon dead?
Yes!
All him supposed to have fret now, though. No, I'm not fretty for me too, but you know, in a ghetto when them things that come up, them give them woman there some name and we can't say it for radio, but people will start blame me.
I want to get up at Kingston 6, a lot of bad things, Raga. Man, I'll sleep on a bed to watch him, man. With him, man, with a real man.
What you mean? Man, I do what?
Man, I sleep on a man bed, and I watch him, man.
Can send on the sort out panar too.
Yeah, but if you never feel it, I feel anything like water throw away. Man, say, beer lick.
A beer lick?
Beer lick, Raga. I know Raga talk. It's a serious talk, Raga.
Beer lick.
Straight talk, beer lick.
Okay,
I'm in beta with him.
Am I in beta with the one with it under the bed?
Yes.
But when my beta from a good man she did there with?
In response.
So wait, are the bonner man a beta? Hold on, are the bonner man did beta?
Yes, with all hammer.
With all hammer?
Yeah.
No, but we can't do about them things, man. We're not really, as bad as things is, and we you know, we say this and that. But you can't, when I beat the woman with hammer for, we can't really too condone them sitting there, man.
We're not condone, but I want one we talk about, don't it?
Yeah, I know, you know, I'm at. No, that one the kind of sticky anyway. But anyway, that woman there would look like every man she there with police kill them or whatever. Why? Me not believe in a good luck and bad luck, you know. I say good luck and bad luck not exist, but that is one woman I would avoid like a plague, man. Your body.
That's true, attack.
All right, that's the word. You say a Kingston 6 you link from?
Yes, Kingston 6, them labels. Me
all right,
that's them are Kingston 6.
Okay. Oh, and where you a call from? Which area you a call from?
Me that country. But me
that
when me that Jamaica, when me that friend, me lives in Ireland, me just send you an email for your wall.
All right, that's the word. Here, you take care of yourself, here?
All right, Raga.
All right, blessings and respect.
Bless you, bless you, bless you. All the blessings for that is waiting for you. Receive it in the name of Jesus.
I thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for the 2011 too, and may good up if all and prosperity does flood you and sitting, all right?
All right, Raga.
All right, you take care, Putus. Yo, Nico, I can't imagine what, Nico. If you was the 9th man, first of all, you don't say that woman that move cool, you know. 4 pitney and 9 baby father. No, and 8 of them police kill him.
No,
if me was the 9th man,
me get the drift. We are cut. We are cut.
When you say Emily, I laugh. Cut. Yo, a Lego, you know, man. a Lego. Hey, you see how when she's sexy and come up in a lingerie, I just say, my girl, move from here, so what you do? I can't want to kill me. I mean, you want police come kill? I mean, say, why could my Bible and church and be a thing, man?
I look for holy water for sprinkle.
That me I tell you, consecrated oil and be a thing. No, sir. Me not believe in a good luck and bad luck, but Papa Jesus, man. You have 9 man where you call your man. 9 man. And 8 of them police kill them. And me a number 9.
Oh, boy. Why?
No, man, no. They would have walk around stress every day. Hey, when the 8th one dead, you don't know, I'm Misa Visa, man. I'm Misa Visa, not staying here. Not staying here. You can imagine all that, man. Every time him see a police, him supposed to tremble and say, Lord Jesus, I
hate this now.
I hate this now.
Here a police can go,
yeah, a police say, you there? Him tell Jesus Christ, let me write my will first. Let me write my will. All right, we're going to break. We're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Okay, to the phone lines we go. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, greetings.
Oh, I'm the person who call and get cut off. Yeah, my dad say,
yeah.
me and this guy with us for 6 years.
6 years?
And we decide say, me meet this girl in Montego Bay, but she's from Ochi.
You meet her in Montego Bay, but she come from Ochi, all right?
Yeah. Me decide now, after 6 years of not burning, me decide say, me go sleep with this girl.
Right.
After we do the things them and everything went nice, kind of start out shot at everything. But me
you mean with the girl?
Yes,
you start out shot with the girl.
Yes.
Was that the first time you sleep with a woman?
Yes, it was the first time. So I enjoyed so that it went the panic. I mean, that's where I realized it went the panic.
You enjoyed till what? What you say what?
Till the girl, she put her key on my neck, but I never realized that it was there.
Okay.
Yes, so when I reach home now, my boyfriend I say, B, I want to pray your neck. And I say, what you talk about? And I say, because looking at me, I always see what I talk about. My boy didn't know. I think, say, say one girl, I sleep with and she put it there, I never realized. Him now I say, not no go so a man you sleep with and all these things. So me and him fight and we end up left. So we let now, me and the girl start. We start do the things and we start get serious and she start spending her day money. Every weekend me always spending a collect money. She start saying so. Me and her the right out. So go to club one night. That's a nice story. We was at club one night.
Yeah.
And we meet this guy.
Yeah.
Anyways, now my boyfriend come back and he must say, not Christmas, he come back and he must say, I'm here to this Christmas and he's sorry about everything. And in this
a Christmas was just gone? You mean Christmas was just gone, yeah?
Yeah, Christmas was just gone. Him go out now and get laced wig and he buy much hot clothes for my goats and he start do the things and I know what he want me back. Me and the guy who made me to the club, we have like some sober sex that I try to get to my boyfriend so we have sex and all these things.
Wait a second, you and the youth, you and the youth where they meet at club and have some, what kind of sex?
Sober sex.
Sober sex?
Sober. Trying to get over my ex.
Okay, what you do? You usually have drunk sex?
No, not drunk sex. We just try to get over my past boyfriend. So we just meet the guy and really talk until our sex.
Okay, it must a rebound, man. Go and talk, yeah.
Anyways, now, me and the guy start get serious with me and say, I'm in personal until then we start. That's what we do. But when my boyfriend come back, I could tell him find one man doing the inside because I never love him and all these things. So I never tell him. So both of them feel say, I them alone also. The bonner never know and the real man never know.
Okay.
So New Year's night now, me and the bonner man, they be a walk. Only if you see the real man walk up and well and call me and say, what go on a son? When you say, what you see I go on? Next one now come chuck down. So them start real up on his one is. One pull me so, the next pull me so. Till in a eruption, it's what them start war. Me take for myself in a rather come. Me don't want to stay there.
Okay.
You know, go set up We got do up here, pick and lace, and all these things. With the real man money, you know.
With the real man money, eh?
Yeah. He not do nothing but real with me. I be, I come up with my clothes and my boat me here. Real with me, not big parade, Mr. Raga.
In a Manchego be a square there, yeah?
Manchego be a parade square and tear off the laces, Mr. Raga. Tear it right off of my head.
I with the backside here, tell me, say, him tear off the wig off for your head in a Manchego be upon New Year's Day.
Big Christmas Raga, when Christmas Eve it happen and he wait till
No, hold on, man. Was it New Year's or Christmas?
Christmas Eve, it all happened.
Christmas Eve, him tear off the wig off for you.
No. Raga, listen to me. Everything happened Christmas Eve, but you know that I was going out on Christmas Day.
Right.
So he lay with me downtown. Then me dress up and come down to go party now. He lay with me down there and tear off the wig. Raga want something hype a crowd come down for me. Yes, the boy tear all the clothes the boy want tear off of me, Raga.
Then when he tear off the wig, or you edit tan, under the wig?
Me and so look how batch cane underneath it, because you know you don't put into cane and Japan week.
So him just come back and take back the wig going by for you, the lace wig going by for you, and just come take it back. Right? So what you do now after you in your outfit and then tear off the lace wig and your head look chamba and crab up and your head never look good and sitting. Now what you do after that?
When I see the Raga more than I take up the wig and walk off, I see the crowd.
Hold on. But when he tear off the wig, him never go away with it.
No, he have in my hand, but it is so you then do the grab it and say, I want to think that they give back the girl in your wig and they grab it from him.
Okay. So what you do? You just put on the wig and cut. Hello? Well, fear phone always a cut off. Well, I eat that for she. Well, what an embarrassment.
Why, man?
I grab. Emily, what you think about that one there?
Why?
Raga.
Whoa.
Being the selector with me is me have a song for that.
Tune. I would have Shabba. Him there, Rockler. Yo, hey. And one time we did to take it back Mixup, you know, man. I mean, I tell you, some man, that was a week, you know. If we do back that Mixup there, you know. Hey, Nico, you have a man, you know, man.
Yeah.
Go buy a woman a door, you know. And come at the woman place and she in there with a man, you know. You know what you do. Man, take back in door. Take back in door. Take back him door and left with that. Man, I rang him.
Take back. Well, you not take back if you get a woman something still.
Oh.
Yo, if you make your girl something and then...
No, because my philosophy is, you know,
yeah.
When you're giving a woman something,
yeah.
You give her with the understanding that it is no longer yours, anything. So like my thing is, me not expect, you know, owe me nothing when me give a woman something, she not owe me nothing, you know. Yeah. However, if she wants to show me gratitude and respect and ratings, give her that my kind to her, or me mine, or me give her this and whatever, I will accept the gratitude. But what I'm saying is, I tell people all the while on the show, every disappointment is based on some degree of unfulfilled expectations. Again, every disappointment, any disappointment you experience, you end up being disappointed because you had some expectations that were not fulfilled. So when you give somebody something, if you can just condition yourself and discipline yourself to not have any expectation, when that person do you the wickedest thing, you won't end up thinking that you're going to kill she and kill her family and kill yourself. You understand what I'm saying?
So you mean like if you buy a car and then they say you're not a fighter, you're not left, and they say a man a cock up and a drive all the car, like you don't feel that way.
No. You feel that way, you know. The point I'm making is, me, if me I go buy a lady a car, me a gear that first she must deserve the car.
Right, yeah,
I bet I'm gonna buy it. Put it on next week.
I'm not gonna buy anybody like
Alright, well, put it. I'm gonna put it on next week.
Yeah.
Me not buy a woman a car,
Yeah.
knowing that if me go see a man in the car and a man a cock her up in the car, me
Yeah.
go kill her. Or me
Yeah.
go kill myself.
Okay.
Me rather not buy it. So
Yeah.
you see, from me I buy the woman the car,
Yeah.
me already know say, any of me see her in the car,
With,
a ball out say, and Renee to the card over Valentina Adams a bring up a proper walk pan her. And she did a ball out. Adams, walk out the car, Raga give me, walk out the car, Raga give me. Me not go kill myself for that.
Yeah.
Because when me done buy the car, the only reason me get the car, you know, is because me already know say, if the worst thing, if me see her do the worst thing with that car there,
Yeah.
me not go kill myself and whatever. You know, cause if me know, or put it another way, if me know say, the way me and a certain woman move, if me go give her this and she violate, it's a really mad me rather don't give her.
True.
Me not give her in the first place, because me know me can't manage it.
She got the like money pan mix up and blend. Me not tell Raga.
Me not tell Raga. Me not tell Raga. Me not tell Raga. You understand? So it's all about managing your expectation. You understand what I say?
True.
That's why I tell people say, the only way something catch me off guard when I go do something crazy is unless it's unexpected. But once me have to, you know what I tell my friend them all the while and them not believe me. I tell them, say, any of me love a woman, love her. She'll have 20 people for me or whatever. I will love her and this and that. I'm going to come home. I'm going to see a man and fix her up. Me nah put my hand on her, you know, Nico.
No, I'm not doing something.
Me nah put my hand on him, you know. Me nah say it to the bone me, you know, Nico.
Oh, then a must money in a human being, man.
But me not put him hand on them. I tell people all the while, me going to sit down and probably watch look at Jerry Springer and Maury. And wait
No,
till
don't watch
them
Jerry
done.
Springer. Go.
Well, and when they're done, we give them some lemonade because they're going to tired, they're going to need to refresh. We give them lemonade and we just make them know if it's my house, we just calmly say, all right, you don't do anything, but you don't know my place,
Yes,
so
sir,
not go cut, you know?
yeah.
Right? And if a guy want to go and like say my gangster and want to defend it and like to him just start up my woman, him
Yeah,
can't do
my
what him like
bride,
in my
yeah.
house. Then me and him will war right
Yeah.
there, so.
Yeah.
But apart from that, me not do him nothing after I never rape him, rape her.
Yeah, give me like Guinness. I say, respect, General.
Yeah, man, I say respect, man. Me not wrong him. If she a give him, take it, yes.
Yeah, do your thing.
After me and him no friend for him, say, no, Raga, I'm a virgin, me not do that.
No.
If she a give him, take it, yes.
Can when you
And
check it,
go
you
on.
know? Yeah, can if you check it, if a girl I give you a sort out, you know what I know about her man, like, you know what I mean? So.
Well, Nico, me I ask you the truth. That ever happened to you? You ever sort out a woman and she did come with one whole heap of comparison about her man and tell you, yes, but this girl, I don't know, shut up and just kill your vibes. That ever happened to you yet?
No.
No, but them will rate you too, you know.
Yeah, we know.
Them will rate you and I say, God, no, you know, some love how you do it because, same name Junior, because Junior don't do it so, you know.
Oh, so you mean, yeah.
But
yeah.
some man hype about them thing there, you know, some
No,
me not like
somebody,
it.
you know like that something? Tell the
No, me
truth,
don't
brother.
like it.
Tell the truth.
No, honestly. You see, me I start out a woman, and she did it, I rate me up, and I make comparison, I tell me, I'm do it better than a man or whatever this and that. So a part of me, I feel like, yo, you know, I'm Gina like girl, I'm Gina. She just set me up for something, you know. Because, hey, you don't know when woman read a milk and ready for all want to take off something. They matter, boy, you different, you know, I don't know what with you, so. You just different. I don't lie, you just make me feel a different thing. That time I rob a thief, then one thief,
wicked them way, them man, car.
Then we kill them.
Yeah, man, y'all sort them out.
I don't want to hear you mention no other man.
Real talk, y'all sort them out.
I don't want to hear about no other man.
Put it on and I say, oh, Nico, Jano, you just do it different, you just slim such.
And all them things and whatever, like them take man to eat. I don't want to hear nothing about none of them. You can't imagine me a start out a woman and she say, no, you do it good, you do it better than Cardell Green, me not like. No. Don't want to hear that. Don't want to hear that. And that was just a random name.
Yeah, we know, I understand.
Give me an next caller, give me an next caller. Wait, Carly.
Hello?
Yes, good afternoon. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Uncle.
How you do that?
Not bad if you ever saw me, if you hide up myself in the house.
No say a word, man. Why go down here? Talk to me, you know.
All right, I gotta work with some people, you see?
Yep.
And every time I said my boyfriend is coming over, I notice my boss get heated. Because he's very attractive. And I remember one particular night he came.
Hold on. 1 second. Your boss is a woman, right?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
And I remember one particular night he came over and he picked me up and we went out and we do our stuff and back. And as soon as we stepped through the door, the boss said, you know, so me did want to come have one threesome with you and your boyfriend.
Your boss tell you that?
My boss tell me that. And up until today, I'm afraid of her.
She said she didn't want to go to the have a threesome with you and your man?
Threesome with me and my man. Up all this morning, I feel telling about it, seeing me. I'm afraid of her, just my brother. I'm afraid of her.
Hold on. When your boss tell you that?
She told me June of last year.
And I'll know it about you, don't?
I'm afraid of her because she'll stop eyes him. And me and him have that discussion with she would have seen one away and draft him and him say to a certain level he would go there, but I still sort of worried about it.
Him say any of she step to him,
he wouldn't move because of certain level, certain things.
Certain things like them
She not tidy.
She nasty.
She not fix up herself properly.
Which part of her pop down? Tell her I will.
Everywhere pop down. God, me I get no trouble.
No man, you're good man.
Everywhere pop down. All you look is smell.
No, all right. I could leave that part.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Hair, body, hand, everywhere pop down.
Okay, so she green and all them something there.
Not really green, you just have a little odor that it's not fresh.
She have a odor where.
Not fresh.
So right there. Use up the code, man. Right there, so not fresh.
Right there, so yes, and underneath the armpit.
Armpit, okay. So she don't know if it care down there, so.
Them don't know if it take care of the entire body.
The entire body, so.
So
is that thing when you have the near her? Is that thing when you have the near her? The smell just a box across your face.
No, girl. Remember one day she left something and she in the bathroom and she asked me to pass her towel and trust me, me even have to rephrase it back to my mother. I said, "Mommy, that then already yet, man."
Jesus, then tell me something. Then if you are working for them, then you have to do the washing.
Look, sometimes scan my hand.
Now you have to touch it. She wash her own underwear?
Yeah. 5 minutes.
Oh, so she don't know if you wash her own underwear?
No,
either.
man, she not take care of them and then when I wash mine and I hang them out. She said, look, pan, whosoever one of them hang out and then this and that.
Tell me something.
She
Is
don't know
that big
if
shot, man?
herself.
Is that big shot, man?
Her child father is.
Oh, yeah, pick the pooper. Is a big shot, man.
Can't tell her here.
You can't tell her after. No, you can't tell. Yeah, man, just tell Ruth after. Just give. No, what? Huh?
Tell him to call me.
Who?
I'm in trouble.
Who I call you?
Somebody's at the gate.
Hold on. Come out for the ear and tell Ruth quick. Tell Ruth quick here. Backside, you know. No. Spanish don't. Oh. Emily.
Yeah.
First of all, why am I whispering?
You don't know
But me now whisper don't.
Yeah, whisper like say.
No, who she say come?
Somebody she get in trouble, you know.
Yes,
no.
She can't play that off, man.
No, but she don't sound like she know the road code.
A truth.
She don't sound like somebody.
So she So hold on. She works but bathroom. I don't understand. She come to take out the woman towel. She had the helper.
Yeah, man. She works for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come with that wonder, bathroom reaching a workplace and towel a pass and all these things.
Jesus Christ, we get the name of who? Backside. We get the name of who? Powerful person in the media, you know.
A lie, you tell.
A real thing, man. We get powerful. Raskasa, Ragashanti, we hear you hear Raskasa and about yourself. I find me them, I go call them, I see you come in and, my phone a room, man. Rascasa, you called me 2 times already, I link you back. Now worry yourself, my king, two me I shot the show. Alright. People call Casa and tell Casa I'm going to yell him after the show. Yo. One of the things she alright?
Yeah, man.
She say who forward?
No, she just said somebody at the gate.
Oh, but I wonder who the somebody is. But you see, from she make the statement and say, I'm in trouble. That's the statement of somebody who don't know the road code.
Yeah.
It's when you know the road code, you don't think about you being in trouble. You know? Right away, you already have the thing play out in your mind. Oh, you have to outsmart the person. You understand?
So like somebody would.
Because if they never see me on the phone, and me.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
sound like me, little more.
Right, no, then look at my people have the same vibe. Look at me, they are busy, I do my work.
Yeah.
What do you? No,
you
sir.
know, see a Friday, me I work on clean, I work on go before my Sabbath start.
I understand that. And them foolish say, yeah, bring come and whatever. I think I something serious.
Shame on you, man.
Whatever. You think me having the time for your call Ragashanti with them carelessness, man, and thing. I'm Multi Perkins, me listener. What are you? You know, I just seal up the thing quick, no. You think me have anything with Ragashanti? I listen to Ragashanti. There's nothing uplifting on it. So all the talk about it is sort out thing and whatever. I'm also upset that you didn't even think that I would call him. Damn. Jesus. Look how long you know me, and you come and insult me. Oh God. You just spoil me, dear.
Not more than when somebody tells us you just spoil it, you feel all bad. You feel all bad.
Hey.
You know something we shouldn't. Yeah, no.
And when you run it to you, look right in them eye, and you see all before you start giving to them, you just look at them in shock and you're serious? Well, like, you alright? You can't alright. You just let them have it, man. But I hope she okay doing it, because when I want this and that. Alright? Ruth, send her the next call. Oh, we get word. She's okay. She good. Good, we're glad we get word about that. And that's how things that we protect with people and things. So we're glad to say, bam, we take care of that. So she okay. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, I'm here again. No one more the sister them.
Yeah, man. But you did have a next mix-up when you want a shot. Because you did not tell about the sister and the six of them and the gonorrhea. Yeah.
All right. She have her husband and she think her marriage is all that and a bag of chips. Brother, out here prison.
Okay. So and when somebody come from out your prison, a different ratings than if you come from foreign prison, don't?
No, prisoner prison still.
Prisoner prison? No, man, foreign prison. No, listen to me. Listen to me. Foreign prison better than Jamaican prison. Yeah? I tell you that. Well, me never go prison yet. Me go jail, but me never go prison yet. But me from when me know foreign prison better than Jamaican prison. Go on,
Really? Well, that good.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, yeah. Him come and drive up and down and I go and like him come from foreign.
Yeah.
I draw fair.
See that?
She live up a yard with her man.
Yeah.
She know I take the boy things. So him say she have to send on him, right?
Yeah.
That's why they make dates for going a shortcut, you know, Raga. Me say, you know, when them say when man a come from prison or them want sex.
Yeah, man, or them toasty.
Right. Raga, when him put her up in one of the tree, them in a shortcut and send it on for her.
Yeah.
She run out of the shortcut, left her clothes, you know. At the same time, a vehicle come and the lights hit her in the middle of the road, you know. She start all out rape. Until her family say, I rape the youth, rape her. Anyway, you know, a prison come from, so him not care. So him just send message to the girl, say if she ever make him go back at prison, all the dog up her yard, him go done. So she has to keep that quiet and keep her story to herself.
Then what? I want to make sure run out of the lane when change. I want him strength, the too strong for her.
Him tough.
He couldn't manage. I kill him, did I kill it? No.
It looked like him that I get some proper fat out.
Then what? What you say them did they up in the tree or against the tree?
Like a minute, in a shall cut it up because I was there because it was in front of a churchyard. She run out.
Okay.
I was at the church. Me just she run out.
So when she run out, she didn't naked?
Naked rock from just the bottom part though. Just the bottom part are no have no clothes.
Just the bottom part are no have no clothes. So how she get clothes?
Rather, it's the right next to her yard, you know. So she run out, but probably if the car light never hit her, wouldn't really see her.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Country road, you know, country road.
Okay, okay. So it looked like she feel this.
A light outside, but the road not have none.
All right, we have to go break her now, but it looked like she feel the prison straight, man, and have to run from it when it connect on her.
I got the mix up, no done.
Eh? All right, hold on. Hold it. We have to hold a break and then we'll come back here.
All right.
All right, we'll soon forward.
A mix up and blender time.
I'm want to call and talk up the thing them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the city. Now we say mix up and blend that straight and we have finish up with the caller here who have finish up and mix up. Yes, Senna.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, man,
So
finish
no,
the
me
mix
not
up.
trouble people business and all. Every day I go work and coming back. She said this guy helped me carry my daughter one day. Here are to the guy. When him turn back and I come our way, him choose the word dirty girl in the ear to deal with. So the man come back around there, come tell me. So I say, yeah, that she said. Ask her if never run out a shortcut from him yet.
Mm-hmm.
I ask her if none of my family members them ever grind goat.
Ever grind what?
Goat.
Goat.
And every time we see our brother, we have to say, me.
Our brother start out the goat them in our community.
Yes, because them catch him red-handed on the goat. And our stepfather before that.
So I fear our family always start out the goat them.
Yes, and our stepfather start out a donkey. Our mother keep going to doctor for this rupture company skin. The doctor can't understand it because it's supposed to be something that affects animals, right? So the doctor keep asking the mother, and the mother tells the doctor, no. Only to catch the man red-handed on the donkey. And then the next time when the lady go to the doctor, she tell the doctor, and that's how they was able to start out back her skin. And she come size up.
So fear father, stepfather or father?
Our stepfather.
Fear stepfather and fear mother go doctor with this rash, specific rash that come up and the doctor keep on tell the mother say, but you should not get this as a human being. It's only animal get this. And the doctor probably ask her and I say, what you do with animal? And she said, I do nothing with animal.
Poor woman don't know a thing.
And then she said, no, I do nothing. And the doctor said, but you must do something with animals. And that's why this will come up. And thing. And then them go catch him now. I do the donkey. Because after him do the donkey, he go sleep with she, no?
Yes.
And that's how she a catch things. So wait, when they say catch him and whatever, how them they catch him? Who catch him? In our community, people see him or something?
Another farmer catch the man from him donkey.
Another farmer catch him and sort out him donkey.
Them have to kill the donkey and kill the goat. And burn the body.
And burn the donkey them body and the goat body, don't?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said the way all them people are going with all them goats. Hey, me have a feeling I must stop all these curry goats, because you never know what is what, because...
Rather trust me, you never know. You see them go on good. She have picnic for her brother.
She have picnic for her brother?
Her own brother, because when everybody are calling me, she said before she allowed for her brother to do that, she would rather sleep with him, and she did sleep with him. But it not have nothing can be done, sleep with the goat already.
Well, at least stories sound kind of fantastic and things. Some people are listening and say, then one family can have so much mix-up and so much craziness and depravity.
As God.
At which community this happening?
Clarendon.
No,
Me
that's a
not
big
tell you
one.
the district.
No, well, no, you don't have to tell me. Just tell me the area. Just tell me a big area. Just a big area.
Oh.
One
All right, Mapen area, man, like on your way to Chapelton, Mapen area.
Maypen area on your way to Chapelton or whatever. So
Yeah, it's
we have
on
a situation.
the Chapelton Road, a turn off on the Chapelton Road.
All right, that is enough. So this woman, I know, she sought out a man who come from prison and thing, and when she feel the strength in the part, she run out in the road, and when she see how she did that take the strength. That time she already have her man. And then she make her brother breed her. And the brother will breed her, him also sort out court. And then Philip's stepfather sort out donkey. So it's a sick, dysfunctional family, man.
Very dysfunctional. I feel like them and people that vampire. None of my family never involved in them kind of activity. Worse.
Then so everybody.
You want to know if she look the man, why she not look the man and don't try to tell him things more, because the man come back, come tell me what she say.
No, you
So I
have
just
some
tell
peace.
him,
Listen
tell
to
him
me now, man.
everything.
Let me tell you something. You have some people out there, right? Up to the recent, them lose off a certain people. When them a look woman, them talk up a bag of things about other people, and some of them go on like them are your friend. But when them a look woman, them talk up one bag of things. Worse if them a look at woman and the woman may say, you know something like Raga, them just sneak in a whole heap of bad things, and then them say them are your friend, them are your best friend, and this and that, and whatever, this and that. That's why I have to ease off some of them recently. Right?
No, but me not even chat to the man when she talk back. Because if she look him, me, it's not somebody when me did want.
No, I understand that, but I just tell you, say, I just saw some people steer. Once
me
man
not
looks up. Yeah, man. No, but then tell me something now. When them they catch your brother and the goat? When them they catch?
But I don't know, I'm own relative catch him though. I'm ball out, make everybody here, and we run football.
I'm one relative catch him? Like what relative? Right, him brother, him sister, him mother.
Him father, woman catch him.
Him father, woman catch him?
Catch him. Him stepmother, his father, woman.
Him stepmother.
She catch him and lift up the goat still, and the poor goat not stop by. Everybody think the goat just move down.
Oh, Lord. But, hey, I talk it as a joke one time, but that's serious thing. The animals in our country are go through some sickness, you know. The Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, they need to get involved with all these sexual abuse being perpetrated on our animals. It's awful. May I tell you?
Terrible, terrible.
But I don't feel no way still, but I ask you. It was a female goat and a female donkey.
It's like a female goat and female donkey.
Okay, just curious. Just curious. Anyway, bless up yourself here.
All right.
All right. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Yes, hello.
Yes, it's me, Raga.
All right.
I never get caught.
You never get caught?
It's just something I never want to come over on the radio. That could have make other people know is who I'm talking.
Oh, yeah. Are you? Because we think say they get in trouble one day because you say, oh,
Brother, me ever dip on my phone, sir. Nobody can tell me to come off of it. No, sir.
No, man, I just threw you say, boy, I'm in trouble and then right.
No,
and then,
I was at the back, and then that thing would have make a sound, and then it would have come over, and then people could have directly say, you know, sir, at the house there.
Oh, okay, man.
Yes, I never want the sound to come over, and I don't know if the sound come over, but what I didn't want to come, it already comes, so.
All right, no worries.
I see we hear that that's your business, and we can tell her it's big like a belch.
That Juju big like belch?
Yep.
Then tell me, well, you work as a helper for her, right?
I take care of her son, yeah.
Oh, you take care of her son? Okay, all right, good. And but what you think about that? As a woman, and you know this woman here who just nasty so and smell all about.
Sometimes she make me feel away, trust me, because she just really nasty.
She a woman, though?
Yeah, because like when I cook and I eat, I try not to eat after. Sometimes I'm hungry, and if I don't have something for myself, I don't. When I drink, I don't go back.
Why? I don't know your stomach it, because I couldn't stand there. I tell you straight, I couldn't stand there.
Right, because I have my children to look after, so, and I'm trying to get
Right. Me understand.
I don't want to step out and then sit out for a while.
Yeah, no. Well, that we understand. Work.
Trust me, man. I'm afraid I remember one night I went out, and when we got back in, me and, my friend, and we were there about 2 o'clock in the morning, because we came in probably about some minutes to 2. And we were there engaging, our stuff. And he like said to me, hear a little squeak on the door. And I'm like, no, because he's sort of conscious of certain things because of the work that he does. And I'm like, you're the walk-in. She come and like she had tried the door because she knows the both of us in here. So she want to come in, so she had tried the door to go open.
Well, what is good for you is that a man she really offer, even though a threesome, a man she really offer.
I know that.
And I really you she offer,
No, I know, but I mean, I really want a threesome. I don't want to experience it. And no, with she, no, sir.
Okay.
That's
what you say, not with she or just no threesome at all?
Even if I had probably wanted to done it, no with she. No, sir.
You don't want it with nastiness over there, so you're boss.
And then she she do other stuff. I'm afraid of her, man. I'm afraid of the mouth. I'm afraid of what she touch. I'm afraid of this. I'm afraid of that. And
all
then
right, that's enough.
I know she sort of have me off because one of her friends had probably a look at me and I tell her that, she's sexy and whatever. And she I cuss out the friend and say, yeah, she you want and whatever. Sort of upset, I know about it. And I come into her on it and then she sort of deny it she don't know what I want.
Listen up. We're going to go to some other card, but not peer in the mind here. You just go and do your work, get your money, be competent at your job and whatever. And you just watch your back and lay yourself careless, make sure you push up any cakes up in here or anything like so. Yeah? All right, you take care. Yeah, put us. All right then, cool. Oh, boy, Jesus. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Afternoon, boss.
All right.
I don't have any good up mix up. It's just a personal thing that I need your straightforward opinion on my business, right?
All right, shut it quick there.
All right. My boyfriend.
Yeah.
I kind of suspect that he was seeing this other girl.
Right.
But I didn't have any proof on it. I found her name from her calling his phone. I get her name and I went on FB and I saw her picture.
Facebook, right? Okay.
Yeah. I got her number, called her once. She hung up because she claims that she don't know who, because she not talk to the person. That was the end of the conversation. In told me, say no, say me call her. Obviously, she tell him, fine, I admit, yeah, I called her, whatever. No argument never developed between me and her. That done. That was about a month ago. 2 days ago, I went on FB. She sent me this message. She don't like me, whatever. I must leave her life alone and whatever. I called her this time, but I didn't private my number. Because I wanted her to see my number. I mean, I've nothing to hide. So she said she's still not talking to me because me and her are not for that, but fine, that I don't. Then she started to text me. So I said, look, it's a public site, and if you don't want me looking at your profile, get off it. So same time she texted me back, she said, get off what? Your man? So there's the argument start now. By just texting. No, she texts me and tell me that she's at his house. I call him and ask him and say,
well, when she text you and tell you she's at his house?
That was Tuesday.
Tuesday, God. Go ahead.
He spent the New Year's weekend with me. So she texts me and tell me that she's at his house and she'll tell him I said hi when you get home.
She texts you and said the man there for your house and that when him come home.
No, in there for him house. She's at his house. He was at work.
And she had tell you, so when him come back home, she would just tell him hi for you.
Yeah, and tell him about her as a convo. So I called him same time and say, is this girl at your house? No, she's not there. Why am I going to come and stress me out and I saw a woman and them mouth stay and all the bag of work. I said, all right, we got a house. When I went there, the place seal up like it was crazy go for seal up. One man to drive off and next time said no. I went inside, I hear the TV playing. So I ring the phone. I hear the phone ringing. The door grill, everything locked. So I went around to the side of the house and looked through the window. There she was.
She did in at the house?
But she in at the house. But being I'm not the violent type. I mean, never go there for war or create a scene because I can't take the embarrassment or anything like that. Hello?
Yeah, ma'am. I hear you, ma'am. I hear you, ma'am.
Yeah. So I just low it at that and I left a call him. I said, all right, you tell me session to do them just there. Call her and ask her. Argument. Him call my phone the whole the other one side. Another night him called me and said, look, me done it now. I mean, me and you go a year and 6 months now. I'm not supposed to in for this foolishness. I've been asking you about this one person for months now, and you keep on denying it. But I'm the kind of person, if me suspect something, me I go keep digging unless you come clean. Me I go do my own research until I find out. And I found out such is the case. I said, look, me done, it make no sense, stuff like that. So she keeps calling and emailing and he's sorry and he's this. And I'm telling you that is a man that I really love.
Okay. So in the interest and time now, like, so what is the central issue now for you right now?
What? I didn't hear you.
No, in the interest of time and so forth, what is the central issue for you right now?
All right.
You want to know if you must stay with him or leave him? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, you can decide that. I know. I just need your advice on the issue because I am calm. I understand how me can get calmed down so easy. But 50% of me want to leave and the other half wants to stay. It's a confusing situation right now. She claimed to say she's just into it for the sort of business. That's what she told me. Instead because I'm a little distance away from her, she is accessible. It's nothing.
All right. I'm familiar with that. But here all the things set right now. First and foremost, it's really a mix-up entertainment show. So in order to really counsel you effectively and to design the appropriate intervention and to help you to empower you to a point where you can make the best decision for yourself and whatever, it would take time and so forth. And clearly, this setting, would not, we don't have enough time or whatever to really do it.
Could you take my number off here and call me, sir?
Darling, I'm going to be honest with you. I get counseling requests every day, and I'm going to be honest with you. I can't manage it. It's just so I'm busy and whatever. I can't really do them thing the justice to the people. You understand? The time and the commitment where it requires, I really not have it right now. I mean, right now I'm talking to you, I'm actually not in Jamaica. I'm abroad and so forth. That, take care of this and that. But what I will say to you is that what you have stated to us was that you ask him, because usually in them something, a woman, we all target a woman for take her a man from her, and call her and tell her one bag of something when I go so, and then, tell you, me sleep with the man last night and this and that, or whatever, just to kind of make you start war with the man, and before you know it, you just generate this friction between you and your man, and then you end up leaving and thing, right? So in some cases, the woman them a tell lie. But in this case, your explanation just now demonstrated unequivocally, quite clearly, that the man did a lie to you and that the woman in her house and so forth and so forth.
And I wanted to prove that for myself.
All right. What me I say is, you prove it. Me can't tell you what you for do now. But you know beyond that. You have only put woman in them position and them don't know. It's like the woman I call them and tell them all kind of things, but them don't really see and know for themselves. You know for yourself. You must know what you can deal with, that, what you want to fight with, or how much more you want to go talk to him now and say, listen, now that I know for sure, are you willing to change? Or some woman just reach a point where them just work with it and then go burn the man, see me, all kind of things going on. The point though is that the key thing here is that you know. So it's your call now, and you have to go make the decision. What you prepared for deal with, how much time lies you prepare for deal with her. If you want, just go and take what you get or whatever. It's your call now, here. Okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry I can't be of more of a help to you in a situation like that. But in order to be some, would have to know about all of the other details and the history when I come from where you want, where you want, whatever. And then usually, from the marriage and family therapist, them actually bring in both parties, and then, you try to come to some kind of resolution. That's a whole
Your connection bad, Dorog.
Huh?
The connection, I go in and out. Hear you now.
Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So we just that show is not really a counseling show, it's a mix-up show. What is your call?
I know that, but time to time.
Right, me understand. I wish you all the best tonight, but again, what I point out is, so don't put yourself in a denial. All right?
No, okay.
Blessings here.
All right, cool. Thanks.
All right, take care, cool. Nico.
Let me tell you, me dying fish for yourself. Maybe you can pass it on to somebody like Nico with a problem. You can't find the time still. Me not take the time out.
You'll find the time.
Me not take the time
out. You know, someone asked a question already, and things. So I'm going to ask you. Because you have some choices to make. Would you rather be happy with a lie and to be sad with the truth?
I feel like I want to know the truth still. The truth I got hot, but I want to know the truth.
Me no want to live lie, but the truth is, remember say when you're happy with the lie, that lie is the truth.
Oh, true that.
I don't want to complicate it too much, but that's what I think. If you don't know say a lie, you don't know say a lie.
Yeah, basically,
What they are not say, what they are not say, they are not deep. What he is not here there.
And some of them just go tell a lie good.
You see. Some people tell something like good. So you just take your one, you just accept it as a truth.
And sometimes on recent research, I found out that a lot of these situations, people will not say what they're doing and give you to think what you want to think, and put you out there in a spot where you wonder.
No man, woman.
No, them do that something.
Woman, bad panda.
And then
have that luck.
And then if you read the signs wrong and you go do things, you go hear say, me never did do. Me and you do, me catch you a do. So you mash up the thing.
Nah man, woman bad panda. Woman have that luck. Woman control man with that, like, whoa. Give me a next caller road. Hello?
Send on the next call, man.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, man, you're the on the radio. Send on the next call. Say yeah.
Brother.
Whoa.
Yeah, me. No disrespect still, but you see girl on here, Michelle. Yo, when you do see a girl, you like a girl, and thing, You see it? But right now, me and some man they call like coffee girl. I mean, not so like your girl that deal with the man them, You see it?
What you mean?
You can't make a girl mash up the show still, You see
but
it?
she not mash up the show.
Yeah, me tell her, me don't like how she deal with man. I tell her, can't talk on the thing, man. If a man call in and say, boy, where is like her and thing, just go and stand up. Man, some man. Now what do you rather, man?
So if me don't like the man, what me for do?
No, hold on, Daddy. What me I say? Mr. Man, hold on, Emily. Remember, when the man called yesterday, she was very polite to the man. You never hear her polite to the man.
Yeah, man, hear her.
All right. Hold on. No. Listen to me. She was polite to him and she had tell him to for the school and whatever. And him press the whole time,
Raga, hear me, man. Girl, and let me tell you something, Raga. She get an eye, You hear me? She sound like a young goat over thing. Let me tell you that. Yeah, me not tell about my talk, Raga.
Michelle, man, answer.
Yes, a man like them there. A man like Unu when you not call to woman per road and woman ignore Unu and I like for them telling someone for going and whatever. Man like Unu we get up and go like Unu want it down. If I don't want the man, why me I go lead the man and then me do all already and feel like them either.
Yo.
Oh boy.
Yo,
Show
Nico.
hot. The show hot.
No, man.
But
Hey,
here,
you
no,
know
but
say-
here, him a say about him used to like me. But if me don't like the man, me not gonna say me like the man Nico. And then when me go already here say, you know, say the one Michelle take the man number off here and call him. Me not lead on
Yeah,
nobody.
straight up.
Me.
Nico,
Yeah.
Nico.
Yeah.
Yesterday, me I said to her, she said, we are talking about, because she did host a part of the show yesterday.
Yeah.
And I tell her, I said, listen to me now. And she talk about some things that some people say. I said, listen, you don't get nothing yet, you know. I say, you see, all of them are support you. You wait, after a while, they will start give it to you. You see?
Yeah, man.
After them, I'm going to tell them, I say, you have to strong in this.
True.
You have to strong in this. When
But
you
here, him
host
call
show.
and son, him sound like my grandfather. Him a come talk about him used to like me. I don't like him. I'm not going to lead on people because it's a mix-up show, right, Raga? And when people... It's a mix-up show. It's a mixup show. And when...
I break me so forward. Mix up. Mr. Lenda, done him say you sound like young goat.
No, wrong. Him sound like all fall.
Somebody go for pieces of water.
Where?
Calm down. Go for some water for you.
Yeah. Don't make sure that cut nobody there. Come on and break me so forward. Mix up.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm walking the car and talk up the team.
Welcome back up into the something that thing. And for those of you who don't know, you see, it's all about the Tambourine Nation, the people who listen to the show, you see, you see it, the Mixup and Blenda crew. I have a motto. Our motto is laugh, learn, and grow. Laugh, learn, and grow. But we also have another motto, you know. A thick skin and broad back, I do it. A thick skin and broad back, I do it. And Michelle, she know the rules already, so we don't tell her already, say, yo, Michelle, you see in this business, you ever get rough up and
But
me
no,
get
but
rough
you
up.
might take it so personal like I'm brother calling yesterday. You might take it too personal.
But
You know,
like how you keep it
no,
real,
but
though.
honestly, Raga, and you know, say from with their new stock, and them used to call and we used to run with a little joke with them. I like it. I said, take them number off here, man, but we don't really do it. People used to walk and think, say, me, I take them number. Me's a little girl, me live in my mother's house, and I'm not offend for my own.
Right.
If me don't like them, I go say me don't like them.
You don't
know how
like
much
them.
woman tell man say them like them, and when them there road, them I get thumping at them, I and them some of them.
True.
No,
Yes,
me don't. Honestly, I don't like say a hype thing, but if me don't like you, me not gonna
She
leave
don't
your
like
hand.
you.
Me don't like
She
him.
don't like you.
Straight.
But
Talk
all him
up.
a say him did like me don't like him.
She don't like you.
Right.
And it's not even like a hype thing, Raga, because me not hype. And you know that me hear any or anybody. Any or anybody.
She frisky, but she
Yeah.
don't hype.
Me don't frisky. Nico Bam Bam, just a talk.
What more are you really? What I would I would like to entertain a response from you on the matter regarding your voice simulating that of a goat. Michelle, but not lie. But you know what we say, get on the beat,
I'm high pitched. I'm high pitched.
No, Michelle, that can't.
Yeah, me not lie, that can't. It's shot. It's shot. Me not lie, it's shot. It's shot.
And I'm going to develop the maturity. Remember when I'll Wayne Warwick and anybody done me, if them good, I'm going to say, yo, no, the one they take, you don't lie, you understand? Yeah, that's how we think, say. Yo, that thought the shot for 3. You send it out. I said, no, you didn't.
Logo.
Talking got you. He never catch you off guard.
He catch me off guard. It's my talk shot. Him talk shot, man.
When him bust it, I said, oh, God, no.
And then, you know, I make it shot to him up in him feelings to me, you know. Yeah. It eat it for me, man.
Hey, no, but you see, what I go on is, I hear me when the man I press it yesterday and thing, yeah, ease him up. And them I say, yo, it a theme. Him did like it before, and him said that to me. Saying a theme, and then you go.
So any move to me, I got done him too.
And the same thing him would
I got done, but if I don't like them, why am I going to Raga mix up your people, them saying the next thing, you know, so the one Michelle take my number for half of the radio, me.
No, not only that. And not only that, what he's not understanding too is that unfortunately there is that really disgusting double standard against women there.
Exactly.
When me can flirt with woman and whatever this and that, all I'm gonna say is like, well, Raga girl is Raga this, Raga flirt with the woman and I lead them man. The minute you go do that with 2 man, you know, them are going to start do you up and talk all kind of things. And the minute you go talk to two man them way there and whatever, you know, it's like people look on woman different. You know the drill.
Exactly.
You know,
them will
when a man
like it in the moment, but as the show done, them start done it. But she take so much man number for the phone and I flirt with so much man on the radio.
I wish I flirt with so much man for she had this, she had that, she had slut, she had this, and then start talk up all kind of things.
Sorry.
And that is just reality. A man will flirt with a bag of woman and people like, yo, my girl is this and that. A woman flirt with two man. Oh, she has stuck your one. She just a fling herself kill, so she not feel go on and things. So I'm not wrong, Michelle.
But the man yesterday never take it nowhere. The man yesterday a joke. The two away a joke about it. So him up in him feelings. That's why I say I must see him brother.
Yeah.
I must see him brother.
Yeah. And if I may just submit one more thing before we move on and thing like in listening to your voice, not really at the go upstage. Yo, hold on, I feel like you just make us I wake up to this moment, yeah. Anyway, give me the next caller, Ruth. Give me the next caller. Mad. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Raga. This is a first-time caller, long-time listener.
All right.
I want you guys to have a happy new year. It just started. And bless the Tambourine family as well.
Long time.
This is not an in-law mix-up.
Right.
It's just a thing we want to touch with the month them in the year. For some girl. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You have a month called February. You
Yeah.
have one September, one October, Raga.
Yeah.
So the girl in my band of them month there, them girl we give them a name, them girl are ninja.
Why?
Yeah, let me tell you why, Raga. When they talk about Holy Man, Raga, and start out, and them girl they talk about February.
Yes, a February woman, September woman, and October woman.
The girl them a ninja.
Them a ninja.
Yeah.
Why? Michelle look like you. September, Michelle born, you know.
Well, I say things, Mr. Manager. I don't know what me I talk to them,
Oh, yeah. So why you say that about them, though? What proof you have about them?
When I talk about man, when I do all of them, when I know. When I know 4, 5, 6, any of them want done the man, but I suffer them things here.
Them just love keep a holy man.
Them love a holy man. Them can't manage on one man. They're not two man.
But some people are listening and say, but what the month have to do with it? I know August woman who love a holy man. I know August woman who keep enough man.
Yeah. You say for them thing, I talk about what me know. So anybody
I know December woman who keep holy man. I know August woman who keep holy man.
Well, I just for you know.
I know July woman who keep a holy man.
That is your experience, Raga.
But you just convinced say February, September, October woman, them money.
Yeah.
And them say enough man.
I me tell you see the see September one, October one them.
Yeah.
You have a man called Jet Li. You know them one stunt, you know. And them for them name that Jet Li. But you see February, the girl them a Jackie Chan, Raga.
Hold on. You say September. Hold on. What you say about September, man?
You say September, October woman them.
Oh.
You see Jet Li?
Yeah.
Jet Li them follow. Them do the thing, you know, but them do the month. They're not so bad.
Yeah.
You see February, them own stunt them say.
Hold on, real quickly now. Which February woman take your man?
Eh?
Which February woman take your man?
None. But
so you know say February woman February woman take holy per man. What proof you have?
Me have friends. I'm if I tell you.
Okay. And most of your February friends them and February family members.
All
of them.
Mm-hmm.
And them say holy per man.
Them say Jackie Chan. Them perform for them one stunt.
Them one stone.
Yeah.
All right.
Like that.
Is that topic we do already, you know?
I know that, but
you
I
know,
don't get it for me. I bring it here right now.
No, man. When me repeat it and thing, we did do it over big yard and sitting about thing. Anyway, we give thanks here. All right. Jet Li. Jet Li.
But you know born September. Hold on, you know born September too. what you
talked
talk
about woman.
Oh.
She's talking. She was very clear. She said woman. At no point she said September man love woman. Love too much woman. You understand? She said September woman love a whole heap of man. So them money. Jet Li. Man, it look like today is beat up on Michelin Day. Anyway, good afternoon. Give me our next caller. Hello. Greetings.
Good afternoon. Go on easy. Sherry.
Yo. Yo. Hello. Voila. Hello.
God, how we...
Yes, man, same day I still go on easy and a ball or shelling him. Yo, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
What go on?
Yeah, I give thanks, you know what? Yeah.
Now I ask this couple, I'm one big up my sister-in-law where I'm Mada beat her on her wedding day. Anyway, when I ask
your mother beat your sister-in-law on her wedding day?
No, one big up my sister-in-law
Yeah.
where her mother beat her on her wedding day.
Like good beating?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
Well, she do little things, and the mother find out, and the mother get a proper beating on the day.
Just give me one example of the worst thing we should do to upset the mother.
Well, you know, the mother is a kind of lady way. You know, them prims and proper people,
Eh?
Yeah, them prims and proper people way. You know, them like I say, oh, you know, chat about other people girl pick me about, for them girl pick me do the same thing. And
right.
When they sign out, say, for them girl pick me do the same thing. You know, them vex and they go take it out on the picnic. Yeah.
Okay, then tell me the worst thing what she did do to forget the beat.
Well, one of the kind of ear still is that the daughter is sort out the neighbor, you understand?
So the daughter I get married to she married her husband, of course, but she did born her husband with the neighbor.
Yes, see her neighbor.
With her neighbor, and the mother find out and beat the daughter on the wedding day.
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's real brilliant. You know, your daughter get married, so you go beat her on her wedding day because she did a born the man when she married with her neighbor, so you go make loud it up and make everybody know. Damn idiot. But anyway, what was the other thing I said?
Yeah, more ask you. They ask me, the inbox missionary ask her to ask you. You always tell the woman then say, they love to ask the man if they love them in the middle of the start out. What if the man asks the woman that in the middle of the start out? What you say about that?
You tell him yes. The immediate fear ask you that in them time. You tell him yes.
Really, do you want to hear what you have to say about that?
No,
because
you tell him yes.
Woman alone, you think say, I ask man,
no.
And them crap there.
Oh, well, so you say, well, my apologies in the sense that as a man, me accustomed to, the years of my years of living and whatever, the times when that, when we experience that, a woman ask me, because a woman me sleeping, me not sleeping man. So you as a woman know, you are going to know, because you have the experience a man ask you, but to me not really, me not have that experience, me don't know what the man ask, right? But the times when I've experienced, even woman ask me, the middle of start out, if I love them. From high school I come up and think when I do the things, you understand? So you are basically, I tell you, so you have some man love ask that in a start out to love ask woman that, right?
Trust me, and it's so annoying.
It's so annoying. I think it is stupid. I think it, no, let me just clear it. There are times when you can be starting out and it's just like an emotional connection with the person who you really love. And at that time, an outpouring just, you just say, I love you and thing and whatever. And them times, it's really, it is good. But you have some other time where you just have sex and whatever. And them say, them just say, you love me? You really love me? You really, really love that time in the middle of the sex. What you think me got? Of course, I love you. If me start you out of me in the thing and I do the thing, I love you dearly. Then after we done start out, we may have a different conversation. But don't ask me that in the middle of the start out. We may go say,
Let me tell you.
I don't know. Let me just think about it, you know. But how you define love? How you define? That's what I'm doing. No, sir.
Seriously.
Listen to me. Don't fling on the yes pan them and make the start out go and shot. And if they must say, no, your uncle has said so, it's like, yeah, I walk same way. You don't have walk same way. No, you look pan them and make them distract you from your mission.
Anyway, Mom, big up Michelle, even though the mother say I go still, but no make no man take it on any idea. Boy, me love your house, start sit and then if I go tell him yes and then go book your road and take one piece of set pie and then I go tell him say you say.
You hear that, Emily? Emily, you hear that?
Hello?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, no make nobody come and tell about
me. I'm a young penny and him sound like all fall. Me.
Make him go, because suppose that said man they will call you yesterday to come back up on the road and say, you tell me,
and
yes,
me
whatever.
Exactly, me.
And go haul your way. Anyway, big up on yourself and have a great
Yeah, man, protection. Here, take care.
Later.
Drummer. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, hello, Raga. A long time I want to call you and I tell you about the girl that called about you and I'm on there for 6 years and it's looking instead of going on a parade. And they did a Raga and I never know who the boy tear off the wig with one big pull, me say Raga. Everybody come on and surround the boy and the girl and I don't know who Raga. Me say she then did it for see the calamity.
When you say, what on? So you did there in a man to be the night when... No! John Star, today has not been a good day for people calling in with the things them and them credit are done. So upsetting.
It's rougher than I know area.
Come on. And we're going to lock in the thing right now. Because we love when people call in and update the mix up. We love when people call in and Michelle, if you talk to Ruth, that come over the area.
I know.
All right. Okay, just saying. Okay, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
1 second. Michelle, your signal. You use your hand. Here? Here, Michelle?
Yeah.
All right, yes. Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, hello, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, first time listening a long time, caller. I'm not a mix up here still. But
hold on. When you say your first time listener, a long time caller?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, moving right along, yeah.
Yeah, me have somebody, you know what I mean, anyways. Yes, so, I don't know I'm between the Monday and Michelle, but me I tell her something, Raga. Me not like her. Me not like her, Raga. She sound unprofessional on the radio. She don't sound brawling and loud and vulgar. She sound disgusting, Raga. She mash up the program if you take her off. Me not like her.
No. Them well on. Them mean a brawling and disgusting and vulgar too.
She sound awful, man.
What?
Me not like how she sound, Raga. She sound disgusting.
But me say me brawling and disgusting and awful too.
No, Raga. She don't sound great, Johnny.
All right then, thanks. Emily.
Today is Get Emily Day.
Why?
All you are calling me Emily too?
No, man.
Emily. No. Nico call me Emily.
No, man. Emily. M for Michelle and then the lay. So me just Emily.
And the lay.
Emily. Bye. Michelle.
Everybody got through it down.
I wish you got trouble.
I run them, I run in. Yo, Fly did get it.
Johnny did get it. Marie
one
get
person
it.
never get it. You know. Marie did get it. Yans get it.
I think a Clean alone never get it.
No, man, Clean did get it.
Oh,
man.
yeah, Clean did get it.
You know, it's one person never get it. Elva never get it.
Yeah.
Elva never get it. But Flight get it. Johnny get it. Yans get it. Clean get it. Marie get it. Some of that's why I understand. and everybody have like you.
That's
you
a
understand,
given.
all right?
Yeah, man.
All right. I can almost guarantee by Monday you're going to hear a different set of running. Michelle, I like you. Come over here. Go and make them go away. All right. All right. Anyway, give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello?
You hearing me?
Yeah, mommy, I hear you good. Talk up.
Oh, okay. Hi, Raga.
Hi. Mm-hmm.
What Michelle Lee do? She gonna take over from you or something?
No, she not take over from me.
What she do? Me know say Bruce I producer, but what does Michelle Lee do?
No, she's like a presenter in training.
Oh, she like an intern or something?
Well, she started as an intern and at New Stock, and we kept her on in terms of her training. And she started as an intern on Stephen Golding's show, and then she started working on my show as an assistant producer. And I told her, say, she, in terms of her skills, she may want to consider the presenting side more because she come over more as a presenter than as a producer. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I tell you, so the gate open. The gate open. Hey, Michelle, you see, it's like me. Hey, you see, I know my work, though, don't you?
Yeah.
Hey, Nico, I just yesterday I talk to her, I tell her, I say, you don't get nothing yet.
I like I told you.
I say, nothing, but me never did anticipate this today. I tell Mr. Listen, you don't get nothing yet. Everybody have to go through them baptism of negativity. I say, you don't get it yet. People are, everybody not gonna like you.
Well, look, I always laugh, so it must still go down.
All right.
Don't worry yourself, man. At the end of the day, it's going to make you stronger. You reach a point where you see people go through something. You go say, suppose you know when we go through when people don't like me. Don't pay that in mind. Give me one last call. Hello?
Hello?
Okay. What's
Hello?
up? Yes, hello?
Yes, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Tell Patty Belly say, she not for watch no face, a grudge or two them can't dish. Which part see there? Them one for that and them can't there. So tell Patty Belly say, no watch no face. Yeah, Raga, right. 16 and Broadback.
Well, tell her, Michelle, she's talking to you too, so she should make the other people.
Man.
Patty Belly.
Yeah.
A thick skin and broadback, no watch no face. Them, which part you there? Them the one there. Then two them don't have the qualifications for there. That's why them grudge you. So no watch no face. Yeah, my girl, just like a skangle, sing a shanky. I make them find their way back.
Find a way back home. Whoa.
Alright? Let's up yourself.
Alright,
cool.
Thank you, caller. Brap. Yo, Michelle, yeah, somebody run in and defend the thing for you.
No, I find it really funny, because it's like, man, I watch it over the years, like, everybody I get it, and I said, geez, I'm saying, like, it reached me. I find it really funny. Thick skin and broad back.
All right, see it there. I'm glad. It's one thing if you talk it, and the next thing when you go through it. Right? So, a strength we say, again, everybody not gonna like it. That's just life.
Current, so my voice I got change when I turn at next age.
But you're taking it in good stride, and that's the idea, whatever. Why the man they open up a floodgate for you? It's not pretty.
I tell you, the man, brother, like a nah here.
It's not pretty. All right, people, take care of yourself and thing. I go to Obama Road, all right, and I'm going to take care of some. I'm hungry. I eat some bossy food. And sitting. I want to take care of yourself, people. Large up on yourself. Big up all of Jamaica. Large up on yourself. Everything is everything. I know the thing set. Have a wonderful weekend. I was saying out of the road, leave your machine and drive for your queen. We want a safe weekend. I want to say congratulations to Commissioner Ellington and the police officers for realizing a decrease in all major crimes for the year. Again, a decrease in all major crimes compared to the year 2009. 2010 saw a decrease in the areas of all major crimes. Commissioner Ellington and all police officers and things, big up on yourself, and we look forward to the police officers continuing to respect the Jamaican people and to know that they themselves must hold themselves accountable with respect to obeying the rule of law. Likewise, the people of Jamaica, as we go forward, in trying to ensure and realize safer Jamaica. Because the place nice, you know. The place nice. So we just have to keep it on a level. I say, take care of yourself, people. Nico, give them some tune before we cut. My God, my God.